ana pe ma kwa ba e ma okwan se pensuo bi na nom na ji ahome aka che on se ma brabo ebedimu ebeyi we are sa na me ma no pa bi asoro ahwe sa azam we pensuo na twe twi ya na wa ji ahome enesoso ma brabo ebeyi ti bia bia wo mbia aka kire ho woni ma de ba ko so a edi enya e wa brabo eye woni a eno ndi nkita hodie. Very often some relationships become controlling relationships that can keep us limited in our exploits. If you are always looking forward to another person to make you happy, if you are always looking forward to another person to make you complete, then you are on way to a happiness or a breakdown. What the other brabo this will be a mama niaje. Eh nano beba bia mama ni anye nano oba bi na me pension na magie nano adamfo bi nano onipa bi na mpese utimi hye na okase mabra. No. Happiness is in your inside. And therefore, if you are relying upon relationships to make you happy, you are setting yourself to unhappiness and a heartbreak. Esa says, "Oh, chance obi be ma wani age." Na wo chance obi na be Kenya wo, se nipa ne ni ho a, se wani nye. I'm not saying don't form relationships. There's no force on earth greater than love and connection. Abrabo ayebui ade eso emu a ekura emu a emu odin ede ode eni nkitahodie. Abrabo ayebui nkitahodie eni odo ena ye brabo afapem. But the American say wo a wo de abrabo wo de wo ho ato nkitahodie so eni obi eso se wanya me bebre wanka ebe me ya oka mesu ena America no. I'm talking about those of us who can't live our lives without any form of relationship. Wo de so be nka me ho a so be amama baso a so me anya amame a me de ma brabo be basa dabi. Those who will be with you just for anything. Oni people ha obeben ho esan de obenyanti. People obeben ho esan emra onu ya ema na nejinti. Se emra na twemu afa no mma. Se onya de ope efiri ho wi a ato ajeje mu. Nti mo ba bon ko show bi nsa. Enfo brabo enko show bi nsa. Develop enough mental strength and emotional independence where you can get to the point and make your own self happy and make your own self valuable. And make your own self acceptable to others. Don't go and make others accept you. Me shout when you my me fa wan cancer me ho afa. Me say wan ka be no. You mu brasa. Your life is your own. Abobo e wan kasa oda. Wani je ene wo ye die gina wo so. Enyina obi so. Mo amode mo ho tu obi so bebebe no. Sa wa ya na twe ne ho a. Ose ye manya broken heart. Wanya we broken heart. There is no broken heart except that you overly relied on one person. There are some who want to be sa mama enije mama ahoto mama ahofama we you hu amewu obi kwaju kasa wo jame amewu ewi ase onyame hu bobo oya no enipa ono so na sede na de so eso no enti se wo de wasede eno wa de so akoso na ne komu bu obesuasio abrabo no ese wo pe adwemu nyansapo na ope adwemu ahode na ka yesa biso mabraba mebu ama na asomani asobiani. I'm also going to be independent of anybody so that many independent share we can be interdependent, not that I'm going to dependent. You are just as happy as you are alone. Eka wonko se free wonsa sanko yi a emo bi sobo entwe asu ka che wonsa kwan bia so no metimi agira me nan so me nkwa na me be abrabo mu ye nyinsa me nko ewo me nko ema metumidie ti metimi ayo me nyobi ka me ho a nia me wo me be hia no nya ka bomu ayo me nko no ho nko gibi biara me nko no ho enko nom no siso nko nsuo me so me bi be ka na abrabo ho ye bubra na eyie be de ka no ho na ompene na otwekwa a meje ma de na mabu mebra bebre ene ene nkofo gidi nkita ho ya nkura bibia na de akọ ya adwene mu ehuna mu esunsun mu sikasemu yɛmfa biribi ankɔ ɛno anse akɔ ne akɔ dan nipa korɔ na onipa na akɔ sɛ adua yɛtwere no sɛ ɔtwe ne ho a na fam ne yɛte ahwɛ ɔkɔ nkitahodie mu a pɛ biribi to adwene porɔ so ma wadwene siw pi esiw ta ma biribi nkora wo nsɛm fɛ nyansa ne ahoɔden bi kɔ nkɔtwere obi na mmom ka bom wo ne nipa no nka bom ɔhono nka bom sɛ ne ɛka bom ukura we na ukura num na mekura num nyasa ukura nyansa ukura akadeɛ ukura hosɛpɛ ukura nigye ukura sɛbe wonsa no adwuma na me so mekura num ɛne ɛba ya kabom sɛ wotwe me ho a me num na me de ba na kura me ɛna ade num kɔ sɛ manfa bi ama na ukura me sɛ ya wotwe ho a mate ahwe sa na abrabote abrabon no ɛyɛ nkabom ɛnyɛ obi ne kura wo abrabote sɛ ukura num ɛna me so mekura num ne ya kabom ya sɛ wodo ho twere obi ho so ya sɛ wodo akoma ɔsɛ me de akoma nyina ma no wana sɛ fa akoma ma nipa korɔ wodo akoma akɔka nipa na akoma ho ɔtwe ne ho a akoma kura wo wodo uti nyansa ɛna akum watenka ekura wo wadwene kura wo ɛna ade kɔhyɛ mu ɛntwere ɔdasani sɛsɛbi wɔ nyame ɔno so yɛ nipa ɔno so ɛwɔ na asɛdeɛ ɔno so ɛwɔ na adesoa na sɛ wode akɔka no adesoa no a ne kom bebu enti ade a edi enya abrabom dodoɔ ɛyɛ ade yɛ ho tu nipa so to obi wa ne ho ato obi so sai wa mama amewu wa kyɛ sɛ odi nipa no yɛ ne mmara na ɔde mmara dabi minia ɛmma wani nna nipa so ɛmfa ho nkɔto nipa so wo baabi a wo bɛto afa ho to ho so na de a woyɛ nnura anya no sua na no foforɔ if you have to rely on anybody rely on you and make your life better each new day. If you have to rely on anybody, rely on you and make your life better each moment. Shiroho, Shiade, Pakade, Simuna Sipinesita, simple Atereba Copen show na, when you want to see na combon senso, na first Shiade. Ushu at a pantama, but me for. Me, I'm a maybe Tremona Matare Bacope. So na me timi kura nhwe me wodo pun nyintade bi bia wo ne mre ne kwanso emu hu abomfia enka se man kotwere obi amenye yie ukotwere obi akotwere se opanyansa ukotwere obi akotwere se opa kade bi abode bi obo bra na so agifa ahodie. If you're going to relate with people, relate with them for independence and for self-reliance. Onyame nhira o onyame nka ho me di kan na madada ache hene ase na madada me camera Thomas ase na madam me sound Frank na madam MC and lighting for us wo ahwe me nsusu no wo no nyame entina
ene ya wada na bedwam so ne de aduru so no ye bedwam so kase me da se so waje bre na wo hwe bedwam anopen sem no de obetie bi ene se wo mu atwa bet wo bebi ene potem ho no mo chemu aban eto a wode aba se ha mo nchemu du de obedi bia no ya be ya nka aban ne hwe na wo ntwen sensen so ena nakafo se no textbooks ebeba no wo magye atomo a ne QR code no de be kire na ye be ko snete nso a wo mo kire mu a ne wo mo de hyehyɛ fofora ba ya se wonye obi adwuma mpo na ye wankase wadwuma wo betime tietia kakra to no wodachi enti droman kese fo nso wo mo aye ya amamre ne amane ya wo mo hwe na afia foforo dodo no ano ya na wo mo kɔ classroom kɔ ye ne ma hodo ehia no ano abrase we ne nsabo ahodo bi na mde so mo se bedwam so kase wo hia me ayafre me anoche wa ba ajwa se wa fe kame hona me fa nsɛm ni nkyɛmu no entwa so emaw adwumakwa ya paase won hwɛ ye to ho nsɛm so ne gyegye ne kwane oban ne befa so na wodi adi dwuma na so my Ghana ne de betu dwa sɛ bosume ewom ne da ye to so edunum ne sɛ bana da ye twa mu ya ne sɛ wutwa bet bi na wudi a wo ha mu nkyɛmu du 10% sɛ de asɔre no gye tight no na ne wo mo so gye sɛ bi ɔde be yɛ oman no eye na betu dwa na omanfo bi omo baabi ani asɔre ati akyɛ sɛ ebe ya nka ba ne hwɛ na sɛ agyina na wasie no won san twensan
bet ni easy na ba obetima yi bi abo oman na bet how many times na obi bet na what is that 10% bet it's why ana the sa so high plan say utimi twa bet bi abe 1000 no match no say ya ma obi akasa be 1000 na obi twa we are about as to not so on what so akobo ti the abandon the band there yeah bet for the why
almost all yes timamfo no pesa mo tuye botom na mo jiska free na mo mpa information de gumu dam Zoom Lion can say minister private scale we need them in a council. Are they auto nipa auto gold? We scale for even 8 years in government. We scale work with 80 year good. Now the youth now yet one and same you Brunian sermon or they bet about a boy youth no. A boy youth no somewhere on the other. Must Daddy change na yamo ya. Now we be other na IMF secret 3 billion am kwa you know. Mon petre all be fan to so na yet times 3 and times 2.
One or more say will be free now or no papa some of the new free crack. Now I'm going to be 10% to the Emboa. The Baya Cabana because Emboa.
Ye free bet in Semona Yankong Musiamu and Sem Emo. Director General Emma Naka, Professor Edward Apiana, what in any about pro ya wako schools a hood womuna, wabra waya sans a ren one what did you just say? A young man for the drone webusa, book noa, school natural mamma dear hen, and a naka for one ajiatune, no watches a one. Aya Penima National Council for Curriculum and Assessment Nakano. One more generated QR code be. Inti no na wo ba tan wo to ngoma ne de ama obano wo de be hwemu hu ne se aje bia sa ngoma we no nakafo age atum ansa na wato ama obano se wonsua.
We have English, Maths, and Science for now. The rest, the teachers use their curriculum to teach. Because it is in the open market, everybody, the parents, most of them go to the open market and they buy anything for the children. We don't ignore NACA books, but we have the NACA approved books for them. That is what we prescribe for the parents to buy.
And which Director General Odanaka and Professor Edward appear editor Adom Kasianim say sa proba wokoi what the buasebe year textbooks are woodwa in free Ghana Education Service ene association umesiano obeyini nyina efri honum.
Ye be call out near ya chire teacher for ne head teachers no amomahunu kwan amofa so a ombehu se book we naka agiatum ana naka engine tum private schools no na free say wo mo krampo one yes susceptible because one there you call near the book no man no reading no here near who say oh naka approve and naka symbol be one pair obedi atum but the free say do na be one naka approve
yanko bono epoye mantem no emu ye kogina nkransa North Mense no emu na akuafo kuo ba ko ehye honom a eye droman kese na nananom ene mperifo honom akeka wo ho abomu a wo mo aye amamre ne amane ni nyina yese obekọ akwada besori no classroom anope wose nkwada akwatena sua de na kwabrane ehon wo akogane na yegu no mahunu se de bi watufu atunya de se omanfo wo mo ede boge eye swine wo akohia se wo kanche wo gu nsangu bi biara obetu sa na mo ne bi sabe ya nananom ene ne bidi
dan ya basi ankura abekum sku achichafo be kire bade obi aye do hu nipa bodefo so ye panyini so ye akura wo sare a sku atwa do man ho ahia nyina munu bade ya agya na abia badinne na ankura nkete be tete anyanyane ampa e bade to ye wura anim abo hu da wura ba na de ye wura brempon da so apia so won trase manfofo andana no kwaye
Obrempon dan so abiam droman kese hene ohini ani amane boni enkomotwetwemu ene wadi tu jase esan se wonu mane agya na bia dodo na ewo krum hono munti ena temamufo afato won ho so a classrooms hono mo ene woja won nan
If be 90 nana headmaster and Badwam man say nana ye hunu school money na esi ya che na ye say ya me ye nti na de betu ani yo betu wana mo e ba school mu ha be kasa kire school fo nkura ni nyina nti asia nya adwuma ye boda ro efredo mamai e de to mu nyina nim say nipa ko a wo ye sa de no wo jai anjai nyomo ya no mo ye
Kingsford AJ a headmaster ewo Droman Kese RC Basic School wadane di se saa no ya yekoso no ha dwene pa esan se athyehefo kra no omudodo na eni opepa so beba school mu hono mo abekira de
enye nnenko tem bia ebe bie school no ye nya kra no nye ne be se dumienu anase 12 na ade echi ade sen nyina ye beba no enye class 2 a ebia na ye class 4 class 4 obehunu na ye GHS 1 anase 2 anase 3 de basa disem kola ne be kan wo ama wo asiesie baby a omo ayesa ajanan yi.
Social Security and National Insurance Trust, Eternity Assessment, a mumpany for Chimoa. I know man for the donor, I want say, do you brunia Juman Kwan, which yes, let a man with ye. Then they were more and she said, the above to say, Uncle Juma, say what on Yama or Kwan sort of took a course, so yet day, why would you make run away? A quenyan wabba hot mamma, so Benantia Cosneta Catchy, and watch your musica, when you bush me be an hour magic a cracker at Wama, Sabia won't cockra bombono or honcho.
Maybe busumi and sending starting Adom brands Montpellier for twetwe nkomo me sure say you ma the what say free May nimuno snets for edujumedi bia ya to din seed self employed enrollment drive ya pa hontuma wokumas ya desa self employed enrollment drive seed jumedi by so bia ono ankasa ye na adwuma krankro ye na adwuma ono so wa kwanya so obetro ni din na watonto bo ama snet said ebe ya ne dachi yemu no onye mobo enti eno na be busumi miensane said midi kan ye ne Adom brands mpanyimfo atwetwe ho nkomo nenne omuma ya kwanya se yemra na yemehia Adom brands omomu ye adwuma wa ha on air personalities producers events which I say omomu ye adwuma wa ha na ye no omu ntwetwe nkomo ne yenkyerɛkyerɛ dwumadi afre ni CD na sabe ento masum na omuso mwayen na ye mohu dawru
channel manager ya oda Adom 106.3 FM ano Joshua Kwesi Tigo enso de aseda PCA ma Senate adwumayefo so wode won ho abebo multimedia adwumaku no na so akwanya ne so ede adesrede eto multimedia adwumayefo nyina anim se won so asem ni mutwe na on fa nkofom se ne ebe ye omanfo so ebeti ase yie na boa ama won so daachen ayefe
to touch the audience. Social media well represented here, they would have to design the messages, short videos, and the rest. We will kick off this with a lot of interviews. Satisfied Morning Show is here.
Everyone on my own concern for M1 International Federation of Women Lawyers in Ghana, Trinity as a feeder Ghana. Opinion one on a resource mobilization officer a Susan Ayite and what the other ready to Ghana by Uncle you Sha by singing himself was rather Sikabotina one more added to domestic women fund in Bono as a Sikakod one a movie. Tiabeya kan kwankwa ne nyumakwa Sha by assemble no fa kakra kakra to safu to them say be yakobasa baby what ya wade mu na wo Bruno Kunwa obenya kokodura akobo amane na mpanifo benya sika bi aso na sen wate ne ho abobra
adwumedie ne Action Aid Ghana na awoma mutayechi EU European Union na ya shase last year ntina ebe wie next year ntina ye ne say ye pese ye bua na omo ego through akaya den so ho omutuminya friends access to court, access to justice, and who near here, but near here, so I to me boy, man, any access to free medical, care, and not if so you will be BFN DV fund.
And what she Action Aid Ghana manager Joyce Nana Dankwa, and so card it to us to say.
Na projects, European Commission, EU, in our soya sene, open no more my sika. Say, Yemboa emba a mpempi no omko oyaw ene atiti mu nyame obonkwa ansa na obo aware enti omunkwe hu hia enti obia obido fa atiti sembie mu no kasa kire obi
yenkwa asante mantam no emu ekrofo mensin no emu na ya dome eye kro ba ko ya ehye ekrofo mensin no emu na KG blocker na wo hono mo no se de na si ahunhwan ya chimu esi hono mo no no nti enene George Safo ya wono na oye district director of education wo potem hono mo ohunu se ahunhwe yi obada ba story no na bu epre kunkum nkoda se na no de ni binti no ene wono afato ne ho so adwiri sa dan ya chimi yagu na wasi foforo kra ya mane boni Isaac no menyo etu hwanamo
District Assembly no bon ho modern pa our classroom see ho then so adwuma kase ya district ni ya district ayafo fro emu adwuma no so pa nti o se ankrankran ano mu a bibi o mu nsam na beboa district man ko anim ti me ba district mu fro abra me ko apro no me wo se classrooms ni bi o ho a enwie mu die na me di jai eno nti me ma me bi so ba be boa yen ma etimi ewie dan se be boa ma ya do me school sem akonkan enti empatamu anyina school sem no ho adan sem no e wo fom enti amoa o se anyina kan ho bom na ye boa
eno achi akrofro mensiri krache mo Jonas Wood editor dwase efri bra mensiri ngumasua kwanchefo yi eba akrofrom eniema ani adane pa e wo ngumasua mu a papa ye ni ko adesuafo ho ne senti enya nwanwa so watime kokuru dan kase sei esi ho ama won
efri bra obaye tese adesua ho dwumadie no ona so da tempia odwen kwan a mpunchi obefa so e wo district ni mu efa school for ho efa teacher for ho tese bibia about education there papa no adwen ho ntimra omaya so tese oni nuanu bi
Yegusu ajira ngumasua mu ensemu na we yenkobona poye mantem no emo regional minister ye Mr. Kwasi Adu Jano de ensem atudwatwe se eni asuku ahodo mu mpanimfo edema subject bi ti se mathematics ni science ne be ya nkonwe no mfa se ni na ma eye cultural education amamra ni amane ensusu ye ne hu hia de se be ya akwada no benyini no na ne nchi wonyera no ogina ba bia watumi aka o my Ghana se de ya mamra ni amane efe na eboaye
such as we have here today provide the opportunity to inculcate our cultural values and ideals in our children, who will eventually mature with the Ghanaian and African identity, pride and confidence necessary for socio-economic development of our nation. I am of the firm belief that cultural education in our schools will not be treated as part-time courses, but will be given equal prominence as the might talk about subjects.
Efua AD Amua eye bunu ismantemu panyi kwankyerefo a wohwa adesua ho nsem so ono nso di tudwa se wo ma adesuafo kwan mu wosua amamre ene amane ho nsem a eboa ema adesuafo no ehunu biabia wofiri no se de wamane etie na afen so ema nkabo mu.
It is events like these that allow us to showcase our cultural diversity, foster intercultural exchange, and promote unity among our young learners. Nanache, our theme for this year's event, and I quote, is the relevance of cultural education to the Ghanaian economy. And this highlights the paramount importance of preserving and promoting our rich cultural heritage.
Yena sanse mi so na ye ho embra na kai se wo hia me a wo be frɛ me anoche wa ba ajra se wa bedwam se ne hia basisia bedwam se ne ya busia da se wo kan ye ho edim se channels ne do so ne so wo se DSTV kwa channel 280 na abehwe Go TV so wo hwe channel 119 ya da se ni so do braso se do bon kwata hodo no emu nsem na afa ye online portal no so ensem hodo aguso no kwasinsia e kwado no choba mesma e kwado edi ne nyina esongo kwasi machi
Adom Joso
na mpombo kodi
boko nanso
ya mi adom boko
me
no the combination is combinating yes colors no similar colors
izuzu agugu
yes suto yes suto
ama mia odo bebre
afo
aye wet
baby aye totoro yes baby su be yiri
Ade se ne aba ne se enkran de
ya baby yiri
ese kumas baby nso te so papa twamanfo ne ma se to on mu a twamanfo ne ma se twamanfo ne ma se nya ya yun se be ye ma ne ye
dabi nya
re ma ne huna na e be hunu ne
sa nya nru ho ye dru ho a mo be hu ye ni ya goro nwie
adwehye ye
nyame adom
we na managing story for prices go up
necessary mo di ko 20 cedi kura say ye ntimi mpake cars no
enye ya munye bi
why kasi debi ameka twa say Ghanaians ye magicians o
guys munye bi
ye magicians e ko tete letter kura say mpake car
ye to ka corruption sen chale ye nyame sa meka say nya twom ne didi corruption won kom nya twom both are buying a private sector. Mas ye nyine ni pay pass salary ya de man de padodo e mem no. Ain't mean carry on even 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
But we expect them to come to work within the month.
Yes.
Oh, can say Ghana for expenses those. They are near
24 days.
They are near to.
You more leave and I'm 21.
Charlie. If indeed we want to fight corruption, we should go the way a person don't want to one now more fighting the year.
Yeah, I'm going to say yes.
Yes, we have Mama Ghana cities. Baby or to a so faka in the art crab so most
baby what no. A 9 hour high single room require 350 400. Na se boso me what is 400 if 800 ni
waka say corruption is part of us because of your system no. Yes, because of your system no. The system give room for you corruption. To be corrupt. And yes, I'm telling you can't survive.
Yes.
What the Christians will do is so because say nyame adom.
Oh yeah, adom.
Yes.
Oh, it's been God from day one. They be American.
Yeah, Christopher no.
Yeah, it's been God from day one. So no.
But between me and you him say baby es can be a free bag.
Untimi account.
Say wa nya ne sa.
Enfa.
Abanye na ko present go for kind no. Abanye na you see wo twa kara before you so mo ye adwuma.
Yeah.
How can you pay majority of government workers less than 3,000 Ghana cedis?
It was 3,000. Be the 1,500. Abanye chire ni a wo sori koba.
Every day obeba adwuma.
Obi kura ye nurse a wo yade a wo ko no wa wo pan
ka kra so no bodi ya refer dey aba esibu aje corruption. Hwe munya de wo chire no.
Ya sori ese nurse fo ni kokko na. Wo bra aboso me so 1,200 ni 1,500. Bere na du a wonye ne hi.
So person don't to be a corruption fighter. A kwan no nam so no they fight corruption.
Fasa kwan ni so.
Yenwa muti abro chire o ye adwuma kakra bia bam. O mutimi didom sika bi mane.
Na ye fight no ye fight ni say ye fight galamsey you. Ye fight be fighting any root cause na ankasa we don't work around it.
No mom table just work out to na bro chire.
Baby aye. Baby no kwara metia na me kokko kwara ya.
Bra so remember.
Baby
asa. Baby ya so uditimi na wo say.
Aha nyina gas bo okosoro ya bra gas no you know 5 kg ni 80 cedis.
Bra ka be na man phone timi tumpo no. So fees abro chire nyina bra
ne enko.
Bra
na ye enko so ye ho hwehwe bi.
There's a challenge with ya country asem enye
enko
telling you
Ngoye eh
because why utu adwem ba ko mien mes utu bi ko country boss wanya lorry fare. It doesn't make sense to HR.
Wanya lorry fare. Ono aso dem say scan no de man and so 24 days lorry fare.
Obeka HR say but me lorry fare sentina me timi amadu.
No, they will tell you say e wa bargaining power. Kwasi say wo be ene ebusa so obeje say and I say 10,000 e be sonwo. And amount 10. So that was your bag. Is it be an negotiation? So that was with negotiation. Say Ochina petrol be 100 Ghana later the HR fa ho. So you need to negotiate right.
Enunti na brano. Ye hwe se na wiase nchen edeko.
Living conditions.
At the time when I negotiated for 1,500 Ghana
salary no. No food no
6 Ghana cedis per liter.
And there times 2 it's like 120.5. 120%. Yes.
Of what I negotiated.
Okay.
Eti time and I negotiated for 1,500 no. Na inflation nam 25%.
And then
43.1%. Enti me salary na get 1,500 na the mama at 20% inflation rate no. And then share by 43.1%. Eti enye 1,500 BM. It's around 600.
Thank you.
It is a biana kabetim ma badwuma besa na otwe ba ko and then nansa and the me badwuma.
Eno ntine ya yetufu se nka anya bia afi bia na mo de kakra bi atop up. So far na 1,500 ka fe no ready. Na 1,700. Corruption
no e ya manyofo de ye o mamanyo se.
Them say fight
from head to toe.
We are all corrupt. Ye nyina akromfo nko.
We are adamika na manfo ntiase.
We are all
from head to toe.
One way or the other. Obi a shortcut kakra bi shenchen baby.
Corrupt. If you don't be, you can't survive.
To be survive or my emo.
Your daily graphic. Government vindicated in a Japan deal, NPP. Tourism fiesta December in Ghana to spread outside Accra. Okay, can be fine. Ahead of ECOWAS defense chiefs meeting, democracy must reign in Niger. Security expert. Udi ECOWAS ne security expert so nya atum se na bi no ECOWAS mpenfo ni mpefe pa so mu nwan mu bi kwan mfa so mo kikire mo man no enkoye. What was the last time ECOWAS mpenfo fresh up president bi twi obani?
No, you say, so now my so be need.
No, Debbie, you see, you tell me, say, no, you tell me, say, who knew right, so but you Ghana and Semu. So what you say? It is how President Kufuor will manage Ghana, no, and you was him. But say Ghana, my brother, fu. No, because they will all manage Ghana, and you need a fraction, so they are. So if indeed you want to see, say, who ye you mad abua a bibima to ye man kabum kodia, then some microphone na a man and fatano, move from which your name. But you know why? The chairman of ECOWAS Nakasamun or challenge you the crew. To better be afraid of for the training. Yentubia. Ya chumphone and muti. And why? One security expert here. Then one a chairman. I'm going for some reference a year. You focus agriculture program launched NACA QR code. Mechanism to check approved textbooks rolls out in September. Daily graphic and no daily guide. NIA sacks 10 officers over extortion. NDC incite youth against 10% betting tax. We say statements next to Pablo Jojo Pareado. NDC. Statement which the next to Faso back see. Why do you have to incite, say, the tax event to which government official attacking? And I said, oh, really? Oh. Timbaumia launches tech campaign. Rethink Agric National Best Farmer. Nigerian jailed 15 years for human trafficking. Daily guide. The Daily Statesman. Timbaumia unveils digital campaign platforms. Digital money. Yes. AG to prosecute 200 fraudsters under rent scheme. NDC incite youth to protest against 10% betting tax. Government vindicated over a Japan deal. NPP hails ECOWAS court no wrongdoing verdict. The Daily Statesman.
Where has it done tax sports betting ban it? Okay. It's at 2%. Mbashe bedwem dum kumano ba no deni and I work say and if fuel prices go up, petrol now selling 13.50 Ghana cedis, diesel this per liter 13.90. But was Dinah Hamilton and Kwame Sefa Kai's hilarious video melt hats. Okay, okwa entertainment go sanso na ye entertainment kron wano Kenyan chefs have to overthrow Hilda Basi with 95 hours. Okay, where you cook aton say one word aduane ache don hwe do ade ben wano say Hilda Basi ye ne de was over 70 hours and ye nua no kwa na no kwa kakra and almost so ye mistake bo be no mo TV free so no man 70 plus hours so penyi say 95 hours non stop cooking. So at the challenge yes, so per se a board in Guinness Book of Record. It is also bet me a casa for 100 hours. You can start here Sunday and talk for 100 hours. On ye. Hey, your voice is your power. Sir. We now you hear Guinness Book of Record. Sir, say no need dey be 1 hour. Okay. I was saying no na said the bon crata dey be obi my dey better so na. The chronicle. The ECOWAS had vindicated Akufo-Addo. Government says NPP. Civil society groups oppose deployment of troops to Niger. NDC's Arabatego is no more. I mean for Nekra NC. Timbaumia launches *202# to solicit funds. Ose say Dr. Baumia ejeje a 12 the free amount for check. Ankra. And for campaign and I say campaign. They also muchirim because a vice president enti is a kobaso launch code wa. E wo see hu ade kro mo dey. He super cell contributed to Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia campaign. *202#. Odo ne sa. E be dey trace but make sure say work akra o. Mobile money accounting and san why and 0.00 near there. Okay. YNT. Na mon support it. Yes, free how be because yes, omo say. Yam man nipa bone for si can be wura Ghana amanyosem. Okay. Yes. So you better say yeah be your contribution and they are sustaining a democracy. Okay. Rather than say ma obi fra bro chira ba no this can put the aba be wuram. Etina so Dr. Baumia win na se nipa no sponsor no be against Ghana. Won't be fighting. Because Ghana for na yankasa na agent to boa and they are supporting Dr. Baumia campaign and we know ya dey yempa e betimi akacha he has no other option than to listen. Okay. And it's not Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia say
contribute to the campaign. Star 202 hash.
Yeah, that's
na
it.
A follow. Yeah, remember no. Ubo enter seeking. Now them. The Chronicle. Anyway, ever.
Ebusia Badwam so ni de obon kwata pensempense mu na afi online portal so nsem ye de si ye dan ye ho abana kai se agokansie mu nsem ebeba. Na afi so ye de de begigi ye ni no ahosepa aba. Na afi ye na ya wada.
Yes.
Nkrofo be forum.
Ye be forum.
People's forum. Odoko ye di free ho bro. Asem ye dika. Yanka hena.
Obi enu o kanjua.
Na afi ya tena se na nkomo ahodo ho no ye free ho no mama Badwam so ni ye basia.
Right, fantastic morning. I was watching Kwaba be with the bar. And a place I can see what Badwam so. And some of the dots. Yes, a fantastic in the everywhere quite actually Kufua. Yet, bro, Sano, Sergio Manucho, Bena Palibuche, and me producers, Kejuana Cassani, Erica Siedubody. Now, on a pay energy for farm, the Remuino and Richoko. Now, I'm saying energy, I'm a day ever. So, best started day here, Richoko. Yes, would you hear anyone so share? And of course, would you know one yada and near money when you know worry to cover in some ketwa. Think Palamo company mo. And we and teacher Mugazem Penifon and no Qualanum, Sansa and no bo biati and a pabiano. No, I shall day, say right. Richoko to be. Air Force also provision shop will be a Richoko. Who do provision shop or now so Perichoko not see anywhere and Tadio Hobium on you serious. Sansa Richoko and a air corral. To say Sikanaba, and of course, a foot to be a new a change a crash obutum. It's a foot to Amade Brono a game pack. I'm okay on a paina, Mede and some idea brown game pack a new way I bet me this cadia gubutum and numbers keke. Now did this kind of two numbers, not 4 numbers, 3 numbers, 2 numbers, 1. Who best or no one number per 41. The 41, waiting me the disca. A game pack in Tishan so FMA na game pack and Neomodia Baino, and a previa drawn or a bustle, or a Adom TV, and a pay 9 a bako, na free so no, a year 12 year back on 6 p.m. so, yeah, back when temperature, download the game pack, or Play Store, and that's our App Store, no, so game pack. App on out to me home HJSR game pack a goodie ye did in the way and yes I just say when you're bring out to chat and we get the new way of shopping money. Yes, Mulanini game pack for can one pay na. And then some idea bro na sike gusto nya sam keto akra. Ye share 7 cent pass ora. Yemfa enfi the Women's World Cup kwaso dendende enye easy crowd now ye hwe hwan na kobo final na hwan na eje ni about the first semi final ma Spain adi akona nim ni hwe dem say between Australia and of course England hwan na koka Spain who in that final on Saturday and England and Australia they appear say ban England like Australia say nyagro and be di am bo Australia for amoni da hokrepa England up World Cup final yes and Spain at the pim so Saturday the BPM and they want some ever brought him say so when you prepare Monday ya na mo boy me Monday to me prayer ko ben ho na so omuntimi emfa kotonya kwana enkopi mo the UEFA Super Cup and Real Man City in Sevilla the winner of the Champions League na the Europa League na na mo de sa kan see dey pem so e ba na we ye no na Man City fo che Sevilla fo senya gro and on bedi omo atwe draw na ko penalties City at the RJ the Super Cup for the first time in history mo mano ne Man City so no radio mo che Sevilla ya mo ho anwea age the UEFA Super Cup now Pep Guardiola baba the second most decorated coach in football history Alex Ferguson per any channel to say yes chairman edge the din papa nyasem keto across 36 trophies Alex Ferguson of 49 to quite a number of trophies so Jena or catch up on Alex Ferguson so that jadi but chairman so to say age yes when anima be to me I had the most decorated coach in the history of football but Pep Guardiola be to me I saw a record no but a game pack I'm okay one of pen I then someone dey probably this guy game pack no download your app on our Play Store ne App Store na efa ho ji musika na me dey mouse ano sanso na Richoko so na si mani mutum says mani abrepa na me dey someone dey bro na yakopie mo well the Ghana Football Association wa mo akachi now the few urban say them say wafa West Africa Football mo atwem ho Eddie afi zone 2 division 1 mo say a bo tournament bi ne enye obi a oba be si o manan mu ewo zone 2 ni mo na de eba na say Mahala Football Academy Team Move FC and Young Red Bull for and de akansi ba ko hye so na yi ba kwa na be hye wafa anan mu ewo zone 2 ora ni Prosper Scenario General Secretary at the Ghana Football Association
was determined last season when we had a playoff to determine a club to feature in Zone 3. It's the same precedent that is being used by the Executive Council. And so the second place team in the second division leagues of the Zone 2 regions, RFA regions. So we are talking about Mahala Football Academy, who plays second in the Ashanti RFA Second Division League. And then Team Move, Western Region RFA Second Division League, they came second to
that was Western Region.
Yes.
They played second to Rose Park.
Yes. And then Young Rebel played second to Vipers in that exciting match played at Cape Coast. Yeah. And so the three of teams will battle it out, and the eventual winner will play in Zone 2 of the Access Bank Division 1 League. Prepare for the matches at Cape Coast. The Siudu Park will be hosting the matches.
So the dates, once again, the first game is on Sunday?
Sunday, 10 a.m. Then we'll play on Tuesday, and then Thursday we conclude.
And the winner replaces Wafa in Zone 2 of the Division 1 League.
Na say ye ko break sa na ma me dey show ko ne preparatory anti facha me na me nin say waba we dey cheers yeah I so do mo kaw na do mo akaw richoko na pay you pa and hot pa be ko ba hot na na kama pa ma nye hot be there sa onu mbe ro ma nye there and there ke say ho ne ho no wa bo richoko na bi atimi akoyina ye ko pie mo the Ghanaian Premier League ho sam kakra e ko pie mo wo ahyedu ketekena nanom Accra Heart of Folk one more cash now season no I go so boba kakra man for your pre-season almost so your modie but senior has work head coach na nani bobo ni we technical director but of course assistant coach so about the ben and a coach eba now Abdul Rahim Bashiru Tijani one na new assistant coach the Hearts of Folk and somebody to ya and it's our prepared team ni pass head coach bobo's head coach mo be do say season ni be chase no na Hearts of Folk are you ready?
So far, so good. The technical director, as well as the one leading the team, is from Holland. Holland, they have a lot of players, good football, and it's all about ball possession and finishing. So that's exactly what we are doing. And I can see the boys too are always happy with the training, and we have all the group, and we are also happy with the group that we have at this moment.
The fans are happy with what they are seeing so far. What will your message be to the fans?
Yeah, they should keep on praying for us, and our first task will be against Accra Great Olympics on Sunday.
Right, as a folk, my assistant coach Abdul Rahim. I don't know to just and you Sunday, I become more up on a bus or Accra Sports Stadium. As a folk, you better no team no shape up some bema. Fans ni hope say season eba no betimi abodwuma na enkopi mo munua no Asante Kotoko akache Prosper Ogum panifo apa no so no lead team nanim upcoming season na eba anymore no go so top players ni ade Simo Kwala last season abodwuma kama pa ni ade wakasa afa season eba no enema wo hwe ni mo ahead of the season.
Qualify for Division 2 ebe PM Division 1 no.
What I believe I will do better than I did last season. I will improve on myself, improve on everything, so to make sure that this season becomes a better season for me in Kotoko. The reception from the fans, they're really welcoming, and basically that really motivated me and pushed me, showed that the love in Kumasi is really amazing. This season we shall do better. That's my first priority this season, and my main target, winning the league. Still fighting for the top scorer. But basically, what I know about the coach, his character, so I believe we shall go far with his character and the love for the game.
Right, Mukwala, we strike at the moment, and Sabana Kopimo war, Eastern region. I mean, Borum will Konya had the Koso United qualify at the Division 1. I'm bring Mupan San or more bar. Now, Husino,
Sen na ekọ de kaka kone de okọ besi akan wo Price Brighton Spark. And otum say yes likes of Akotoba for money Club 100 mpanifo a da sebra e de omo abomo so mo hwemo ama club no it means so nyina waka no omo agusu sisi omo hwe se ko benya ba bia asi akan Price Brighton Spark ahusisi ne koso de den eti yabowremu aho ahwe sane ne ma si ko Price Brighton Spark
5 Division 2 ebepiem Division 1 no Okwa United omo so omo ntena kura ahomwa no gusu ya mrante kika wo mo ho a ne nyina ekire nyina na mpanifo nso akohia a mo dwene ho se ahemfa na sa kense ne hyase wo Division 1 a ememo ekogina akosi akan omo nyina adwene akobankuro mu a ene Price Brighton Spark ene baabi a omagia tumu so Okwa United Division 1 no omo bagina si akan ne santi Club 100 for ene mpanifo kan bi ewo mu Okwa United asoye akwawuman aka omo nsiase a omakofa mfidie abegu park yi so esesi honom onim se Price Brighton Park de ahoso yantamo pa omo keka omo nsase eni ye a ebegina so ena wie peyo ena ano ekopie mu ho a empanifo ye adwuma tententene a omo hwe ni mu senche ho no be ye krado na mrantie edi agroma pa ho dressing room bebi a supporters yi betena afa bebi bia sefata ya club licensing board ebe hwa mbagya tumu no mo yeho ya Price Brighton Spark no Okwa United edebe di fie season fufura beba mu Division 1 no eni nti obi bia ya why na dwene so bebo Okwa United no mpanifo se okwan da ho obetumi akeka wonsase Club 100 mpanifo anase obi bia oka bia womu a ombeje no mo de aboa na mrante yi omo Division 1 akwantuo no akonkan eni nti opa bia Okwa United besina kan next season Division 1 a ebe no Price Brighton Spark bibia wie peyo na ye krado a ebesa akopie mu ho ne pane kra atofo mu a yeyi ade abekire yahwefo
right and Price Brighton Spark Okwa United o ka ban se yentija ya ban yentija kra yes Okwa United ho nsemo no na be die chese na yedi kan na hwese na ma siko e wo I am Price abusia Akotoba mfo ne mo ampanifo amudi adim ya cha moya de papa Franco Damia Jericho ambassador minim se o ko pray assembly man ugirem e wo ye insua selector area ya tawachi bibia be fine Okwa United nti tawachi we nua no o ta se abusia Richoko kan ho no pray na yere sabono ade ebrewo so na Game Park Limited forces opesika dia ampatro mo kache na se odo ho je o game o dia bani mo no all exciting all new Game Park ebe boama we disika dia gubo to say kruma hot it we su ye kwanfo fra betima disika numbers na dia ma no nye numbers ntin bia no ha ya be 4 b 5 b 3 b 2 b 1 b na we disika dia gubo to nya dia don pe open Game Park no App Store Google Play Store betimi upload no download your app na kwan bia so betimi disika dia gubo to Game Park mo mula power busia ya do be si Sergio Manoncho and of course bena paribo twa mo ke hona me den samono de ebrewo na okopie mu wo image we fo aka che mo na ye kama de share image we papa okọ Instagram no social media hwe image we na mane me ma nyina sha o ma ya ode kama pa e de ma Mr. Kwacha no pai ye chiao keju na kasa ni Erica Siedu Bwedi ko so ha bedwam
memo akwaba and so health tips and ye to so ya hwe science e bi ba so ade tie and na ye hwe management and prevention Betty Usansa principal nursing officer and ye ne to so memo akwaba ye mi da se na wo twi wo che ya de pa tie na so ye hwe management and prevention
okay so obinya mojabro so a eni hu kwan se oji obi edro ade na make us ekoso pa obi wo ho a ne BP no check here e wo soro ni nua bi wo mojabo so say ma edro ne na eje ba ko no ma da bi yenye ne sa entafo kro obi a wo ne dofo enti me sro unya BP a oso wo we edra ye de ma ho edra ebe ye ama akosia enye ye ema ajoa enti se wo hwe na wo BP ne wo soro a entemara kwa abaya resabia ana ya resabia bi eben wo na yenye nhihwemu nkɔhwɛ ne kɔfa bai ebia ye strade na adɔre wo ntininim ebia ye nkyini bebree na wudi ebia wodwindwin bebree na akɔfa aba nini na apomuden adwuma yefo be ye nhihwemu ni a check your cholesterol ni a check your kidney ni ye hu adekora ede wo BP naba eno no obehwe so no wama waduro se ye ma waduro a mesro no maduro no enjija entum ada wo BP na ye fine na wagya atum da bi yenye de sa wo yesa wo ha ni pagua no wo yesa wo ha akoma ne nso enti aduro no se ne doctor akire wo se no no wanom se wo no maduro no na se bibi esesa wo ni paguam ebia bibi to chima mesro entemara kwa yaresabia baby akɔgye aduro na ye wo nduro ni bebree omo besesa de amawo afa yenhwe ye didie mu ebe den na wonya mojabroso a eme pressure ne nkɔsoro bebree abra wono maduro no se wo hwe na se onje wahome a na wo ye adwuma gidigidi so a meso je wahome da ye dumfo no ne da kakra na je wahome wo ye adwuma bebree bobɔ so a je wahome emre ne mu na afei so udidi a wajiane no enchine dodoro na ewom no ewo se wote so fise ye ka se enchi bebree ma mojabroso ba afei so wo se wo start ye exercise na wo twini mu nyina no try so be ye exercise in premiums mu ewo na wo twini mu eno so betumi ama pressure na ba form so mu ye dru bebree a hwe se wo be ye exercise ama wo so ate afei wo no mu ndro basa ye to ndro wo ka mu enye dro bia na ye ma try se edro a wo be nom no eyede apomodin adwuma yeni esisudua senum afei so se wo ye obi a unyinsen a antenatal mo ani nko ho ebre bia wo be antenatal bia e check wo BP na wanka sanya BP machine bi ewo fie na mema no momboa emma no sabre no mon check wo BP ma no so ye odo ni yenhu BP no ba bia eda afei so fra busua bia mojabroso ana akoma yare wo ma abre bia wo so hwe wana monto yi na wo check BP no na afei so uye obi a wo diabetes a e wo so hwe so na no mu ndro no ye efise betumi amwenya mojabroso
enti na ene se ye hye ne ma wo nyina nso ebeboa nti we ne kwade ama omo ye hypertensive no anase obi oni bi ekura na ese odi sanhye so
se uwo mojabroso a ekoma wo na se uni mojabroso a hye niema yiye se ne be ya onkonkodru ho enti sa no ubedidi ye unyiane na udi no hye niema na ewum no atosode wo so bebree aduane na udi den na ya ma ni padua no ebema menya apomuden ana ebema menya yare se ye saadi ni hye yetrim abri bia ye di bibia koyemu a ye nina ye be ya hye ye enye bibia na ye di be koyemu ono mo nsa basa eno so e wo se wujai se wonum cigarette eno so e wo se wujai
but ye was special food hypertensive for ediana na fruits
me passion enyane a eye ema mojabroso for anase obi a ompese obenya mojabroso enyane a e contain potassium ye wo aduane mu ahodindro bi e fa ni potassium aba fufu ni kra obona ka se enyane e contain potassium a bebre beba kube beetroot kwedu enyane ne bebre dawa mpo etumi bua ema pressure ba form eno so nkyere se jai eduro ne no ne kofa dawa manka ne sa me say udi a etumi bua ema pressure no eba form
yada say papa principal nursing officer beti usu ansa ene nso wachire management and prevention misro mo wani nko tidbit ye de ma wo ho pa meda wase na yebeto aso chena ne ahwe complications se ko basa wonu mu aduro ye yaka nyina wonni bia so a de de bebro medi de afia amankwa tamaklo ye health tips ene ye de bro e wa Adom TV Badwam so ebishia
beautiful place
a wo friend no cafe bar no a mamizin kana mimbo mizin ze mami boatema the fancy no president for the Brothers and Sisters Association jewe na in there ahusape no o different kra na zotin there and pay menye another many opportunity menye one of the biggest actress Ghana hade you know baba hwechunkomo na zotin there she shot to fame with some skits it was small skits boys kasa no the more clue no cause that confess na music can make chumpo there up short hair pa that was brand is the new age papa na and pay man kasa make more often into no ma strictly no ma me introduce my guest famo my guest amofe patch na enye dizinin kasa ya Priscilla Opoku Ajiman na she's been doing this for a very long time waba industry she shot skits which are movies from John and John Amachi and the oh there's a manual bar bebre kali was in China kwano na hono now so no getting and catcher into no I pay me get about you come or cafe bar no o jolo aha ye feel papa na me need breakfast no so you better enjoy me need be gin and papa me the kind of personality or you in a me na ba hade dem bo be ya then you be because I had it was seven fine power hade mama na kwaba.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. That was nice.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That unfair,
Namia do me who now, sir. And the she say, it's a high cover for, and then we started and you just rattling fancy. Oh. That was really nice.
Obey camera to Mudon Cotis and Fantan Baba. Interestingly. Now, get home catcher. Get home catcher. Now, what's up?
What's up? I mean, life is up. Okay. Life has been lifing pretty hard recently, so.
Oh. Talk of that, you know. Meaning that in January, and all the things I have seen, even who captured cry Troy, two of them were very close.
Yeah.
Wow. Your condolences. It's sad that it happened like that. Now, how was life being after?
It's actually, you know, I know probably crossed my mind. When I get sad and I say Miracle and I'm Swan. I Mitzi Asembia Obe catch up na Jaisa. She doesn't like when I cry. Utibayo yeah, like I can hear her say that. So just because I know she wouldn't want me to be sad. Yeah.
She doesn't want you to be sad, but this is very sad. Now, Yenzu come relationship with your mother. Is it just you and her?
Yes, I'm my mom's only child. And see, so when mommy say me the part. Yeah.
It's good.
She was like, yeah, she was like my big sister.
Okay. Okay, so it's just been you and her.
Yeah.
I'm sure that you're one of the biggest support systems
in
life.
Wow, she was my biggest fan. Wow. No, my mommy would kill for me.
Wow.
Yeah, she would scratch your eyes out. When did me want to grow?
Now, maybe no baby there. You mentioned that we are manche, okay, and yeah, grandchildren, Emmanuel. Yeah. How that's your baby or so
yeah, because Minim Senka should have been a wonderful grandmother. Okay. Yeah, because look at how I speak about her and how she treated me. And to imagine saying, "Come man, a little girl, ooh, should have spoiled her."
Are you making that effort? After that, no. Across your mind, they will make an effort.
Of course, I know. Yeah.
I'll beg you. Are you making an effort?
I mean, say nyamipa.
Okay.
Minyayanka, yeah.
Okay. Meaning that death has a way of making you reflect on so many things. Apart from the good times, any nimpana have, you know, sometimes it wakes you up. What's that one thing realizing about life?
That you need to cherish the time you spend. Obi asem, obi pewasema. you need to cherish the time you guys spend together. And life is too short for you to be holding grudges.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So in Ghana, a household name. Everybody knows our Patrick, but that is not even your name. How difficult is that, or it's easy?
It's really not difficult. I think most people know my name. Most people know that I'm called Priscilla, because when you go, call me call me social media, so Priscilla, but Hamise and Kofu Femi and okay, because Osha legends be a Ghana, people don't even know them by their names, so you are going to be recognized either way. People can call me. I've been called a lot of days. Angela, Coco Brown. I think it's yeah, it comes with the job. Okay. Yeah, and maybe at Chelsea, I'm probably also playing my role right.
Sure. Intino, Sisiano, Abba movies, another film try.
Minjai film try. Actually, like I said, this year has been pretty, hectic for me. But I'm steadily getting my groove back. I'm working on certain projects, not movies though. So you guys should watch out. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, it's a TV show. That's the most I can say. Yeah.
So, enough day you as an actress, we are coming to also see your
Exactly. I'm growing. Okay, I'm sure people have noticed. So I'm doing other things. I'm an influencer, and also I MC too. And yeah,
as a human rights activist.
Exactly. Also. So yeah, you should watch out for me.
Okay. Now, intuition, is it centered record that side, Nana? Is this about human rights?
No, it's about lifestyle.
Okay.
Yeah, and fitness and health.
Wow.
Yeah.
We can't wait.
Neither can I.
Okay. International this year,
of course.
Okay.
Of course.
Now, you just came back from the US.
Hey, wanna catch you?
A little bit. Okay, somebody in the US. What's up?
Well, Madame Faupa, like I said, I try as much as I can now to appreciate the people in my life. It's not Madame Faupa pageant, and she won actually. Yeah, okay. Her name is Amakwachi. She's the 2023 Africa's most beautiful. USA. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that was a nice trip.
Okay.
Yeah.
You flew into the US to support a friend. That's kind of agada. Interesting. Now, the thing there, a lot of Ghanaian men question or don't now know who is on your affair with. Are you in a relationship? Who are you with?
I'm not in a relationship.
Hey.
Yeah.
Into this whole thing about you being in a relationship with Kobana. The last time having baby Kweku, so it's all in life.
Oh, I'm a dog, so I feel like Ghanaians want me. I feel like Ghanaians want me to marry. I understand. I know I'll marry. Just relax for me, okay?
Looking at you.
Yes.
Fine wine. You're just getting better.
Yeah.
Is it that me from the Badwam Kasana? My chance another one.
I still haven't found the one yet. Yeah.
Okay. What are you looking for? My boy is not home.
I said I will be a small for we are small I am a baby girl.
Okay.
So I just need somebody who will treat me as such. Yeah.
Maybe your lifestyle, it's your soft life, Anna.
Yeah. So, in regards to everything, the way you handle me, the way you even handle the people I love. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also then you promise me show those
Of course. Now show me.
Trips.
And yeah, apart from that, you take me out on dates. You know, you would like to see me in nice things because already I spend a lot of money on myself. Okay. So yeah. Oh no, but not only Ghanaian men, please. As a matter of fact,
Okay. You have a good day.
I don't mind wherever God decides to send me. I don't mind.
But have you been with a British before?
No, actually, I've only been with Ghanaian men.
Okay, so you want an international man for a change?
I don't mind whatever God gives to me. I'll take.
Okay. Matter says, tell my mechanic. So and I say. Fine, babe.
Honestly, a very fine babe. It's so rich. Oh, worry. I can't see.
Oh, don't worry.
Oh, is she married?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, please scratch that, please.
Very married.
Oh,
okay.
Wow, that's
now,
nice.
Yeah, let's go back to your career. What would you say is the height? Another idea, if you achieve this, you think that this one day you do. But before that, the tea is served. Cafe Badwam or Wajong. I want you to try it.
Okay, sure.
We're learning English breakfast.
Yeah.
But chill and kasa.
Oh, because you're semi Pidgin,
Not really.
Oh, one country. Yeah.
When you're just I'm with you. No problem. Okay. You know, young cousin of our height. What would be the height?
It's a Micha Hollywood movie with Idris Elba. That would be it. You can't only mean cash in
Nothing can stop you at that point.
But really, I just want to break boundaries and, you know, create a mark out of Ghana. Yeah. And make Ghana proud.
Okay. Now, have you been in any Nigerian productions?
The only Nigerian production I was in was shot here, but had Nigerian stars in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But
of course, why not?
Have you tried?
Yeah, I have.
Auditions, Saturday.
Speaking to people generally, yeah.
Okay. But so how has the feedback been?
It's been good. It's been good, but I'm still open to work. So if anybody is watching and they want us to do anything, that's fine. Please come.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, but would you ever want to produce a movie?
Yes, I would love to. I would love to work on my own. And you're moving, TV shows, you know, anything entertainment. Yes, I would love to do that.
Okay.
But you're saying I'm your guest.
As I'm not a quick
Okay, but let's do it.
Okay.
Thank you.
So I'm in the breakfast on our hotel. Now, mene a fair patri, the beautiful Prisla. Yeah. Na me nyana retwetwe nkomo hade na there are so many things I yakasa from home, but for some of us I think that even before we went on the first time I met you, let me feel they be mpana nyankopon no je wo sky na ebe water assassin e people dream that it's all rosy, like sorry and you became who you are. I'm sure there's a story. So obi hwe and CCR kabibi kakra mo de enye easy nti wherever nipa no or finding a self CCR no it will get better.
Yeah. Actually, Anopa when I me makeup artist here, she had to come and sleep at mine because we have to come very early. Okay. And some will be saying, hey, and they presenters and time normal, but I'm so sure they would probably have to come like 4 o'clock. And then you see them on TV made up, and then they are smiling, and you think it's all glamorous. It is never. And open but hey, so open obre. Inti baby I will be I was say ma weni eko ade a opese oye no ho na ukoso ye, and trust me ubetimi aye bibi. Yeah.
Wow. But before Boys Casa, now you were just a student.
Yes, me a student. Yeah, and Actually, Nema Omofame for Boys Casa was because I was in Malaika. So that's how they knew me, you know, because yeah.
Okay, call Malaika.
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. Wow. And from there, no, Boys Casa. Yeah. Then from there, shot to fame. And that has been the story. Yeah. Movie after movie after movie. And I see Sayeko presenting.
Nina, you see me everywhere.
That's quite a journey.
Yeah.
That's quite
I'm ready for it.
Okay. Okay. Now, you good at you train on Komono. Tino, what's my it's a bandazy. Who is banned being white?
Because share.
It's my own sister. No, what's a man?
Just say many judge.
Okay. Now, see, I won't know now. Okay. I have a first sip now. It can be between.
All right.
How it was like.
Of course, so you're fancy me. It's only a fancy who do this.
Yeah, I know.
I'm a listener, a nice one.
Okay. Hey, about brand in the crowd. Wow.
But she said tea liver. She's on your friend. Tea liver.
Okay. You walk cafe banwa uojulu. I had in a me and on your personal poku. Ajimans. I do not offer now offer patrino and I yerun tea. You busy breakfast. The morning. What's your favorite meal? Ghanaian meal?
I like banku. Mepe banku pa.
Banku no nkruma.
Any bibia, any meko, any nkwan, any nkruma. I'm some more aduane ankasa mepe dokno soup.
Ya obitelo. Inse no, e would be more on my work there. One pays bana worry to the rice or waste of time spaghetti.
Yeah.
Tiana focus no on banku. Are you like that?
Oh, medi bibia, but I did meet me dear twice. I could probably meet me the dokno twice a day. And probably eat it again the following day.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe I meet me deeper.
Wow.
Oh, there be benku meet me ka benku, but dokno there, yeah.
Dokno
Okay. How many people? Go for any nominee dokno.
Okay.
Yeah.
But have you tried the fancy kinky?
Yeah, I like fancy kinky too a lot. Yeah.
This is abazi.
And you send me any stew, so you're nice.
Which of the stews?
I know you will have a stew, and the minimum yet to say we are not sure me. But yeah, I need for you a toast for you. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Jay, oh, my appetite.
Yes, I guess you was you. Calibos. What's your not into
Wejaya then.
Wejaya, we try on the skates and the boys.
Oh, yeah, and the boys casa de co break hakra. But we are working on things together. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
boys casa de try.
Was it before for
Of course.
And skates
I think it will be more of a TV show. Yeah.
My TV show.
Yeah. Oh, minimum calculations.
No, like that. Because that would be mega.
That would be nice. I know.
I know. Having you both.
I know.
Wow. Okay. You see, I some for TikTok. Because I've seen you on TikTok.
I love TikTok.
Because I've tried TikTok on Fama. I don't know what my try on fact. And then find the time to.
Yeah. I love TikTok. Yeah. I think a very fun app. I think they are more forgiving over there.
Okay.
Than on Instagram. So yeah, TikTok is nice.
Okay, but I think I'm a mind. I'm calculation. I said people are more brutal on Instagram.
Ooh, tell me about it. I'm not bully, but I think people expect a certain. I almost person who said things look a certain way on Instagram. What's a TikTok? They offer a phone now. You can, record but Instagram wants a more glammed look. Yeah. So people tend to really be critical about things there.
Is it expensive living your life? Because it's very. Say if I want to become do you think it's so expensive?
It's not expensive living within your means. Yes. So if you want to be our Patria is known for her work, not my lifestyle.
Okay.
Yeah, and see, maybe we are focusing on the wrong things. Yeah.
True. You walk cafe banwa or jolu. You ever have a breakfast and put your over breakfast in Brehene. Na young boy and I'm the because hey, I am a TTT, the Noyana, a waste to him because you know, Monum Cran, 1, 2, 3 sips. How I drink, but meaning no English breakfast or how American breakfast. And they make very nice breakfasts. You would enjoy it. Okay. Into no one but say picky.
I'll show you, me does.
Yeah, enjoy it here no home. Say, do you have fears? I mean, Miss and Gladway.
Yeah, no.
Nothing.
There be me and Yameba. Yeah, and so all starts to say what's in Yamiasia. You know that this life is not your own. And you know, say, crowd. So you learn to leave everything in his hands. So I don't have fears. I'm not afraid of anything. Just a young
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that. And you know, my main creative scenario. So a poor man, or like a good character. Yeah. Osikenia. Money on Shadai, we create Shadai, but you know, kind of a
You lost me at poor man. Because listen, o can't poor because I met me
okay.
Because Obi needs to come home Brazil one no.
Okay.
Of course he's going to have a good character because he doesn't have money.
Okay.
Right? So I'd rather be happy and be comfortable and at least know his behavior, but still, you know, he cares about me. Yeah.
Okay. Until say from the current state, you want Shada and Shalom. But all one of whom was trying.
Yeah.
And all the attention gives you all the power, but more than all those things.
Yeah.
From the very get-go, that's why poor. I'm probably fail. As I can that.
Oh, yes, I missed sacking, sir. Since sacking ye, when Makuna Bay, Jumana was sacking, we embasso. Oh, yeah.
Especially if you want our family.
Yeah. Also, I feel like if you don't, I mean, when money they love, you know, when money enter, love the sweet. What's not so I feel like if you don't have it, you won't even be in the position to show the love.
Okay.
That's what I say. And you'll be stressing both of us out.
I'm sure.
Amen.
I'm sure, baby. Thank you so much for doing this with me.
Thank you.
I mean, personally, I've learned so much about the young generation. If you love God, there's nothing. When you are not supposed to be afraid of anything. And I've learned so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sure, baby.
I've had
and
fun.
Thank you for making the time.
I've had fun.
Because really?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I think I have fun.
Yeah.
I would. But I promise me viewers, they ever have a lot of fun like this on our Hosepe. Into no one watch house for us and Sidama can and pay no or your cafe bar noir and I'm a personal Kukuachiman Yabaji Taiwaha. I hear about boy and under the chair into no as a pede ebahadia on your cry or Jolu. Say a ball is in the crowd or Mapador, you Baba Street, cafe bar noir. Brana wasu baby enjoy some good breakfast, some lunch crana dinner. They got you. You know, brahadi na barbo one of the chat. Aye. Zeno the fancy doll. When I say baby, I'm fair.
Yes,
sure. Once again.
Maybe manu tray. Is that what she said?
Yeah.
Maybe manu tray.
Okay, see, I'm fair. As soon as I baby.
Yeah.
Signing out.
Okay. Enyanum ni adofunu. Sisi a yaba ewiye yeda wase pa se mo hweye. Echi ochna yebese enhia. Yeda mas.
No asa mara nyere ngabe ya do mo ochna yebesa na ye hia wan ko se pedo. Baby are wo biara no mo wache.
so ne wonim say ya wada drusi na no chewa ba magie adwana nkomo ese fata no na me ne wadi ntimi sro kame ho ne me ne eye Angel Dominions Herbal Center. Angel Dominions Herbal Center. Opanyina wono ene ofiri ho no ba na me no etwetwe nkomo nti opanyini ka ne di atena se na me ka ne say ya no wonim say Dominion Herbal Powder ho asem ena make sa powder wanwaso na osori aropa ansa na beti esi abonte no osaka kragu nso mu num ansa na wanom na boost immune system no ene mu nkomo ena ye ba abedi kanadi mache ene nso ye da foforo rade aye
enukre nti se ye de asedama no na udin no em se ya nipa mo ni yie na manfo mo udin ni yie na onkyere wo mo nso so te ne mpese me kyere
Mimidi no.
Udin no.
Okay.
Onne anochiwa aba o.
Me dey say.
Adwasewa.
Na me dey adwasewa.
Se anochiwa aba ne adwasewa no. Nti omo frɛ wa. Omo frɛ wa adwasewa. Ba o kan anochiwa aba onka bibia nti mu kakra no. Na me da sen so se me da sen so se de usika ye no. Mo se o kan wanwaso.
Yes.
Pada wanwaso.
Yes.
Se eye term a unya ka wie pa na Angels Dominion Herbal Center Limited. Okasa asem ne keke kura keke no wanka bibia biwa yagitu
adwuma na wi
adwuma no nti ho no me mamu opiafo sa yagi atiefo so na Angels Dominion Herbal Center Limited ye ba ya na koyese aboso ba a ye ma eja apai ye bebo so keke amanfo nim aduro no amanfo nim emmoa ede boa ganafo eti ye ba no ye be kakai wonwa ya ne binum rafi and especially ye the ointment in so abeka ho for more body pains ni ade no nti na ye ba ya Ghana for emmo aduro ne de boa won no e ye pese o ma dwen ba so se de be ya obi ntina ase emma o how kese bi emeto no ansa na wa hwehwe aduro na chi akwan
na se we de bi am ka se ya na se shock absorber no e we se si wo mpati
no
entwa nyare ansa
asem no ya na nipa ne bebre fra no ma bisa say pepacho aduro na ye den pepacho aduro no won say ye ka say e for general well being
na say je say sa yade poti bi na mo wo say wo nipadua no gina yi
yes nipadua no yankopon bo yen no when ya bro wa maye bibi wo nipadua ni mu a de bia na me ka say so nipa bia wo yare na wa no maduro na wutimi tena ase ya wo na wo famu ni nyina ase wo tena ase say men no maduro menum minsu wo medidi normal na ya wo no mefamu a eye den ahụ beto provided say enkwam we woni pedua nim no e wa hoden be fight atia yade no enu nti na ma Dominion Herbal Powder ye ka say we no akoye say eye nkwamwa no aduane e mo ma hoden
say wo ye catfish na woman feed
no per say tem bi o ye strong no mo e ye say de be obenya price wo na we no de enya price no obenya woni pedua nim apomuden na obenya na woni mi say wi asenso no se onipa bia no wapomuden a wo wade nyina enti da bia ye kan ya na nipa ne bibisa esa yare ben esa we and one thing about Dominion Herbal Powder ne say enipa na nkasa na ye kire de aduru na ye den ayama wo
okay
enipa na nkasa ono anom a no ka foforo ono anom a no ka say ye hya ase no nipa ne bebre na duro we no omo ayema won pa eye omo a chronic diseases ha won omo wo yade kwankro
yade kwankro
to say oda duro so yes
oda duro so na say obi wo pressure no ono pressure duro obi wo diabetes no ono diabetes e was wo boost immune system no na duro na ye adwuma nti wo hia Angel Dominion Herbal Powder
say ebinum num Dominion Herbal Powder no omo a wo kan o masem omo num sa enuro no so onum Dominion Herbal Powder no na onum na duro na possible
okay
obi ne terms o say possible
it is possible say wo be jai wa duro no na wanum we duro so cross
the only thing they say onum
okay
obadamfo bi a otwe dade na obi kwaji firi ne nsam o se dade na waje no ye de bo ye mfa ntwa because onum so di kotwa obi am na nyasem enti we no onnum ani aduro ne mbom ebi anopa no first thing one mo Dominion why ye say we nyina wie afa na aduru say so onnum obi pedro diabetes aduro problem bi ani ho na even so obi kwa nnum abibiduro before yade bi treatment a obetimi anom Dominion Herbal Powder na ka ho a wonya wo ha obi a sa na akoye nti omo aye free bisa yen say aduro no metimi anom akama aduro ho ene ade no na onima ni je sem ewum se nipa na enum kan na aduro ne ho a eduru ba bi a dodo no a omo doctors etimi stop am say twen aduro ne so ansa Yes.
Esan say or nom dominion say exesane e mabu onipadua ni.
Exesane e mabu onipadua no tumi say apomdia e den abom. Ye wadanse. Ye wadanse wo ho a enipa binom edoso but ya na ye ba ye mre ni ntino. Ye wadanse wo ho a enipa binom adi. Nti ye ka producer ye bibi ready a.
Na ebre ni be wo mu a.
Na ka ye nti adanse no. Eye audio adanse tawu. Na ka ye ntie na ye hwe ade senka ye ready dia na ye hwe ne sa.
Enti ene na ese abusua Angel Dominion Herbal for na ye ne wo mo twetwe nkomo no Dominion Herbal powder edu papa no omanfo adanse wo ho no mo yenye bre na yentie bi mra ye ba na afi opanyini ye na di nkomo ne ahwe bia ya penuro ni bi ato a ubenya bie na afi numbers a ese fata na ansa meko o voice ne so no obi je number no kura sesie isansa number no de hia enu anti ne yete ha enti obi pedro bi ato na opedudo motu akoton a se akwanya wo ho sa number be no obefre
number obefre ne de 0543 158195 eno ne number yen office number 0543 158195 eno ye main one ne ye wo other numbers e wo ho no mo a eno so betimi afre na eno no so no watimi enya contact ni nyina ne se te se Accra ha sei ye wo obi wo ha no mo a
isi ya na oba baby a ye na musini ti sa number no fra ono ne wo area ho na wo de wo pe na ma wo okay
enti ono ni sei no Accra no obetimi afre Steven e wo 0249 59 me person me mistake enti na person me number no ya na me de amount enti me nya ba Dominion Herbal powder so mo hwe even said the yard bet ni said ye na ya na ye de kaka amanfo keke wo ye de kaka tiefo keke enti obi bia modin say ne nsa beka bi omo fra me daduro so na me numa duro bi ni metimi anom Dominion Herbal powder no ye de boama immunity no e strong
what you say mankwamo na wo ni pedua ni
no e na enya hoden sonko so what you say enti ba bi bia obi wa o tie me no onfa na semhia na Dominion Herbal powder no onpe bi na onye den na onto na otwa anumu a eno nu anka so behu na wo ka bibi se wo besa gu nsuo me pa cho nsuo no eye nsuo hye nsuo hye ena duro no ho no se wo bia duro ne so a wo bia duro ne so a oh baby bia so a me nyina wo bia so a Dominion eye duro so nko nti na brochefo na gitum no
oh ya say silly that's a fall kataso
bibi silly we untimi adu break ansa no what to aduro no na ye wo ne ointment nso wo ho ne ointment no eno ne de ano adwoa pato hu ahwese de tie wa hu ne sen enye hye bebre for bodily pain so ma me high me yomo ye dwumaden ne ade no so mo nya bi not me ba ye na me bisa wani mo say so obi wo ha anka o se ne ho ba bi ye ne ya ka menti bi fansra da bi ya fansra o keke udi twie ye yi udi sra ye yi eno na ma ye different no
okay
se obi e pra na ya se ye ntwe a betimi di atwe na saa nso na wo de sra so a nti nka me pe obi a ye de be sra so keke na nka me kasa wie no onka bi yes no onka bi nkyere me nti eno so de nti ese wo to ointment no eno so eno no
yes we de honam ye ya
pains no
ointment we ointment and no ye powder
we we no powder no hwese de tie ye sili no kama
ye powder ni mu nkomo mpa cha wo sinsuo hye ye ne se demonstrate ni
ensuo no hye ma ne nya hye da ne ye ka bu mu a oso ni ensuo no menya ensuo no ma ne nsi so enya hye emfa ensuo ni nsi eja ne so na ensa duro ni mu wi a to ye gu adiem na de obe yuso ne say Ghana ha no ka say tea cup a esuro bia ne size
e bi kura yuso bonsu
yeah because me hwe cameraman yeah so also woman in the tea cup a
just e bonsu ya
be kese ebe
ye kwoti omanfo adanse ne mbra ye ba na wakire mabusua omanfo a wo mode Dominion Herbal powder de djuma no won sem bi ni ye hwe no mbra
me hypertensive and I'm sorry diabetic count na me say me abibinu a bitimi ampo me ama abofuro no be sanka ba no nti ya me ti abeta na kokotobi alis manom tese manom yinu na mango se ama the sugar level ni me BP na ababomba ana fi tuzo no ma me no ati ma me ta papa nti I am recommending some a lot of people so
na abibia no me duma me ye kuyani medo a
dem num pekila ansa na tumi aso sike mo ado me to bi num ye no saa de nyina jai na me da makuma bo kim anso ga dem num sa dominion no nim na jai ke duni de ne kweli me nim hu kura mo de she duni ano de dum ye ne mo ma ya wai e ka go so ya to obi am pre from father from feta up to binanum uto dominion na amwawa ene ko se o sebrim ne ko pass me na me kan that
na wasu to dominion na amwa le se ko ro sebrim
okay e wodi enti nipa ne kasa wo ana wa na de ba ko agana fo nse ne nsoma yen se se unu maduro bi na se fane se wo BP wo diabetes na eti prekope hwim ye careful
ya bisi su bi mame
ti say onu maduro diabetes aduro ana wo diabetes ana wo BP na onu maduro bi na etiso fane so onu ne ade tinye hwim na te kwa ya careful
okay
because the next time aben no wan hwe ya asembeba ya te ho de ya omunya careful because dominion na ba pada on say onipa no o de ai te say ne supplement
enti de bia wo fa na kakra
enti bo sin kakra enti be ka say o doctor nan kasa so wa nya he sa duro ko na wonom ne no mo a o doctor best stop because o ba no hwe no hu say eni ba
ko ya ko fa hwe na kwa brosho enti no mo wo ja no
de no brochefo bebre a o doctors a stop wo ma o mu di adanse
enti yen hwe ne no mo no wo si yen fa bonsu a yen fa teacup
enti wo de yen twa ne short ma
ko yi su wo fi
sachet water half
okay
udo onu sachet water mu na no half yes okay. Na wasa teaspoon atreketwa
no ye de man kwara kokoro no ene tablespoon
yes ketwa de man kwara aduane no wasa na odi agum
okay
no wanu na no pa before so obi didi
okay
o all sadia obi didi awie no wanu na anwumre no so wadidi awie no wanu me 2 times
nti enwe location he no bi pe bi obenya bi
afa ba bi obi benya bi de ba bi etun aduro bi ya na manfo nim se wo herbal shops ne kwa pharmacy ne ba bi etun aduro bi ho afa na manya Accra number no the Accra rep no 0249 591843
okay
Kumase aya 0248 632328
yeah that's it
mama fa tamale nkan pacho tamale 0207 118 514
yeah that's
baby etun aduro biare patch benches o kan si ni ade nyina no ombenya
yeah that's it that's Kennedy eno wo fi Angel Dominion Herbal efo akache nti Dominion Herbal powder ho nkomo ene ye de da ye ho aba ye ko okay general manager
I'm free hockey yeah me di bia ne hina me
Dominion
esa pepe
okay ti general manager ne na twetwe nkomo no nti abuse da ye ho aba ye ba de aka eche no ebeto aso
Asem yidiko Hinna beka Akwasi insia Commander 6 Kano seniatia
Yadi obuani die ne besum ye man Ghana esa sene wa enie ne obo ade echeche no ba bi ode bedua ye enie ye ne betimi aye man Ghana ye medin de akwasi insia semini kabre e na asun me chia one anopai Enra eba nyina me ne o edi nkomo e de fa ye traffic light ya enye adwuma ho. Ena me church traffic light bi a abubu agu. Ni e ba bi a uduru a edamu din esum se kabresi. Na bi ko duru a traffic light ne nya adwuma street light so sa nya adwuma. Te sum na se eja nam saa na o de ekọ. To da bi na asefem na awreho. But quickly, my mention story we were graphic online. Assembly Minister for Roads and Highways at the Tuja, and maybe I've seen a January 23, 2019. Or see no more 40 traffic lights in Accra by June 2019. No more 40 traffic lights in Accra by June 2019. Minister for Roads and Highways. Onam Kosiam Wakwata. Afeba ne saying. Mami kwa masuna mene director of urban roads Ora James Amo ekodi makrate e kamo acha no pay e de ba asemi de kaju media so na Adom TV. Openi amo.
Papa.
Boko de.
Nyame adom.
Yɛda nyame ase. Yɛna kenim sɛ Minister for Roads and Highways Akachre said there will be no more 40 traffic lights, especially in Accra. After the year, I see a traffic lights and your domain.
Medasi, Abranti. I said, Metesa, cast story there, or attributed to Minister some time back.
Yeah.
But the Metro can say, yes, and we had a program. I like about the traffic lights or Accra, I connection. Coordinating in a boom. But that's a now the program into take it off said you see penal. And into achieve the minister did 2 Ghana. But you haven't abandoned it. You go so yeah, on your man.
Okay, program long to me achieve since 2019 because Minister Kaswe 2019.
Yeah, I mean, so you know a few challenges with the funding. Yeah, indeed, we are still working on it. Because it's an objective that we want to achieve.
Okay.
But as of now, no, we have not been able to do that yet.
Okay.
But we are trying to address the challenges and get there.
Now, a program bay and we initiate no more 40 traffic lights.
Oh, it's just a program. Yeah, replace the traffic lights. Near coordinating near central pointer. Able to me from that place, able to view all the traffic light intersections for Greater Accra region in particular. And it was a traffic signal coordinating system you put in place.
Okay, and Abreben who say funding a challenge and more calculation mo dim nema nyina gu enkratas no. Na mo se kwam na befa so me fund such a program.
Oh, I know I cannot give details now, but normally we package projects for funding and we receive the funding and go ahead with them. But along the line, these things do okay. As you rightly know, there are quite a number of projects in the country that have been suspended due to some of these challenges. And I know there are operational issues.
Okay. Yeah, what specific fund be one more day and maintaining your traffic light?
Well, first and foremost, your road fund budget, I maintain traffic lights. Now, to just explain a bit now. Also, the reason they traffic light too, primarily to coordinate the movement and also for safety reasons.
Sure.
Now, for every traffic light intersection in Ghana, we have a maintenance contractor in charge. Or making sure the light is on at all times, barring any unforeseen circumstance. Into your maintenance contracts with contractors. However, other issues that occur here, accidents, BC, vandalism, theft, near the those on their clauses in our contract, we expect some rapid response. However, due to our liquidity challenges, we are not able to do that. And the frequency of the vandalism, I would say, and also it's difficult for us to cope.
Is it because the road fund akosia wa ajebosientina road fund sikade bano aye diama moa menya bi dia maintain traffic lights yana?
Oh, I wouldn't say so. Send a traffic lights you go so maintain it. But admittedly, traffic light ba kokra enjuma a problem and we have quite a number of them. But as is being speculated, it is not the majority.
According to National Road Safety Authority, about 48% of our traffic lights enjuma.
That is not entirely correct. But the data I have, we have 367 intersections, and even that we have done about 8 more. Now, out of them, over 66% Yejuma. It's not possible, so 48% in Yejuma. They are challenges because of near fixing now back on. You see, if I give you some of the examples, for example, Kokomleme Dancing Hall, just to Joy FM, hold on. The light is not working now, and the reason is Obiko Yi Chamber Nifri Ho. Unfortunately, some unknown people, so Akoshija or Chamber Nimo, Ashikebu singing now. These are things that you least expect will happen. But you see, I think you guys have talked about it for some time.
Yeah.
Controller is Ubiako vandalize Ebubu as a controller. And these are things that happen. Accidents, Susi, Atlantis Radio dancing or Nikiamu, Kakwako boom. And we are unable to immediately respond as we would have wished. But these are things that we are trying to deal with as much as possible.
Road funds,
we have over 66% working. Even though that is not preferred, we wish to have 100% working.
Okay. So road funds, them say a brand either quarterly or annually. And a road funds, that hold my for two and that hold more is easily to go for. Now a face still I didn't mama say Ubenyes maintain a traffic light.
Oh, as I was saying, and yet the maintenance per se, I'm talking about the vandalism, and no, and yet the regular thing that occurs. Sabi, Obi Koji control any fuel, control any boarding. It is not a normal maintenance contract that a bit contractor can manage. This requires a lot more money than what we normally get.
It's your more almost says, sir, and near my way area, said my way no. How one in the first place, yes, secure, and near mana, ye traffic lights, no, and a buying. And I think Shabba would go up to make sure as a sankofono, you bet me to Amosa.
Question Abisami, the annoying traffic lights, they are born buying OSHA controllers, they are mean cages, they are protected. However, study a TFA, are comfortable bow. Into you better who buy as much as possible, but you better see conformance were born who buy now. What why na ring and tababefa? Into any ali be who, yes, that's a police for Babwa, no more so a hubi. Na Yansaka, say Yansaka Modia, ye check Momuchaka, some fancy car, Kobuma. You make sure you who vehicle in Quandia, the insurance and other means be before you debate Jessica, I am Yabe. But then the paper you pursue, be kind of son, you pursue animal.
Okay. Eti. See, I can say contractor, send mamma contractor, said traffic lights won't teach him more, Okosisi.
Oh, there were 3 major contractors are on my young with my send them big traffic lights, you have over 360. And there were 3 contractors on Mudi throughout the whole country. Into your money now, so every month they come up with their bills and we as much as possible address them.
With about 36% of our traffic lights, yeah, and yet, according to our data, no. Says the young friend say consider Benny BCS traffic light am. Oh,
we are in the process of working on them. Apart from the beer controller barbitua, it takes time to fix. No, we believe that in the next 2 to 3 months, we should be over the hill and sort out most of these problems.
That's it.
Because your name contractor for the young Kitahum be I can say, Omo regime said the Ombe Biano, Yibitiomoka.
Okay. Yeah, that's when you're bringing out train combo.
Mr.
Director of Urban Roads, Openny James Amo, and I'm to say no train common. Tiawa. See a man best 2 to 3 months. Yes, a traffic light. And no, Mr. can say a crop from the pabon for my boy for a mom's movie. Cables no session near Manonsono. Mushim. So money, Yanka said, dear. Any best of manna at 2 years. Semi, Edica, get people's from Etwaso. Yes, I want to the people from Jumedi. Every Macacho say, "Ya there be Edra." Adom TV, Adom 106.3 FM. K to my Epmano. Near say and feed abesi won potemu. And watch one near me cause yo how at the mauno. Yet the TV ni radio no ebe. Can want some children penny 9.4 was some 2 1 more FM. Seminole Eka say Chief Jerry Force Napam for Ayakado Ewo Odoko or Encrabo Mantem Wanum. How I want them and say. Chief Jerry Force, why ready about Ghana for any addition until dear their cost or doco, how many I'm for them and them. Alright, Adom 106.3 FM, Adom TV. The people's forum and an appearance so yeah, they say, yeah, what they do say, no, to bar. The people's forum to me, and yeah, the baby will be na people's forum to me, they be on the car, say, how I would want a month for FM. And I shall not say, Yade who and come out at the bell. Yapom Yam Yabebre, and none of probably as a heifer potting, and Yajina Oshabia Mijina Odoko Malam Highway, so Sana Imbe, Yenimse Feno, Odoko Malam Highway, and Imbe, Yenimse Feno, but Edian Casangasa, K.A. Buzia Highway, K.A. Buzia Highway, just those times, no man penny that I went to be called K. Buzia. Now, Imuha baby, it is somewhere around 1982, 1983. Yes, sir, a pine, you know, and you didn't need a toast from a penny that I was a pencil, and
ɛna yɛyɛ sakwan ɛna yɛde ne din ɛto so nti ne din ankasa ɛyɛ K Ebuzia Highway Odoko Junction Odoko traffic light ɛna ɛwɔ machi hanom yi nti Odoko Junction hanom na ɛnɛ yɛgyina a yɛde dwuma de yɛde ɛbrɛw ɛkwan yɛda machi ɛyɛ 10 lane highway ɛyɛ 10 lane original plan 10 lane but ɛnɛ ɛkwan no sɛnea ayɛ no akwa bibi ɛwɔ hɔ wo a wonim saa kwan pa no wo sɛ ɛkwan no ne outer lane na ka trɔtrɔfoɔ ɛfa hɔ no asɛ koraa ɛkwan ne outer lane a trɔtrɔfoɔ fa ha wo hwɛ baabi a m'ani kyerɛ a m'akyi ɛkyerɛ Kaneshi ɛna m'anim ɛkyerɛ Malam Junction enti cars a wɔn firi Malam Junction ɛba no nyinaa ho sɛ potholes ɛna wɔn ɛnam mu a ɛnya sɛm ketewa Odoko Junction ha potholes wɔ ha oku anim kakra do Dakuma Junction so potholes ni bi wɔ hɔ okodu Dasuma Junction Kaneshi first light ɛhɔ nyinaa potholes wɔ hɔ no ma ɛha dwene paa still ɛyɛ highways for adwuma ɛno ane nna deɛ highways for yɛne wɔn ɛde paa ɛsɛ sɛ yɛanyɛ ne saa adwuma no ɛnya deɛ mbɛtumi ayɛ what you see here potholes yɛ awohu yi mbɛtumi aka sɛ ɛyɛ pothole a ɛhyɛ aseɛ ketekete ɛna nkakra wohyɛ saa stretch yi a kwan na wɔ ha no ne nyinaa asɛe na menkasa ma mekasa ɛnware no join yɛ wɔ Facebook Adom 6.3 FM ɛwɔ Facebook ana so Adom TV ɛwɔ Facebook wo hwɛ ɛwɔ TV so wo tie ɛwɔ radio so a adriver fo a wɔn wɔ trot station ɛwɔ Odoko GPRTU members ɛwɔ ha mene on bɛhyɛ nkɔmɔ no ase na afei wie a driver fo no a wɔn ɛtwa mu no wɔn nso mene wɔn akasa wo hwɛ a still rush hour in the morning enti traffic kakra ɛwɔ junction hanom a nkakra traffic no ɛkɔ ma mehyɛ nkɔmɔ no ase the people's forum fa o comment ɛto Facebook na yɛn gye brɛ na afei yɛn kenkan ɛmfa ma ɔpɛ ne yɛnhyɛ nkɔmɔ no ase Adom TV Adom FM so ne yɛfrɛ sɛn
yo medin de Amoa Francis
ɔra Francis Amoa woyɛ driver
me driver
ɛwɔ Odoko
my driver sa ne ba sese de me yɛ pani wɔ inside hɔ
okay enti ne ntia wɔ ha na pɛ ɛyɛ sɛnea ɛkwan yi ayɛ wo hwɛ outer lane ha even middle lane ha kora nso anim hɔ nom no asɛe kora ɛhyɛ aseɛ sɛn mo na me yan driver fo a
yo ade ne deɛ ɛhyɛ aseɛ no akyɛ ɛna ade no so start wɔn nketenkete saa na I think sɛ mpanimfoɔ no anim ma ho nti wobɛhu sɛ no afei na create major problem sɛsi ankasa no sɛ wohwɛ saa lane a firi ano ma kopo gas da akoma junction kora mpo deɛ ɛyɛ west because the cars in them highways no move back that was be at the right side and say and what the mikasa mo say wa ko bom na tie apai it's a way mu a eno no na won say suma ba enti won na mu no okwa a say ohu say na hono mo nye enti won na mu so mete bim na tie apai enti hono mo na create problem pa enti say wo hwe so a because of kwan na enye nti say na create traffic pa enti amaye problem kese ewo haramo enti the thing say ye aban amu ye main road no e the national road enti the thing ye aban when mani me ase aban no others omomode na omna ye maye
medase papa da phone wa ha me no mbekọ so akasa Adom TV Adom 6.3 FM what is say opani ne ka say a major road because a quite na link Ghana to Ivory Coast, a quite na link Greater Accra region to the Central region. It's a major highway. And what touch my say ne atete apart me opani Adom TV Adom FM so ne ye wache.
I'm watching.
Your first saying?
Friend Samson Avigo.
Samson, we are driver ni.
Pacho.
Okay, it's a quite into ne wa ha yente wo.
Obehwe mi nsem kra mikita me car spring. Anope ya befa kwan so a me spring egu.
We ya anope ya.
Kwan bi a ɛwɔ ha nyɛ nnɛ
enti sɛ wohwɛ Facebook ana wohwɛ TV so a spring any ɛna where Toyota
fish
okay
the spring nie ɛnka ne no na ke yɛtɔ no 1.5 basisi a nneɛma no bua ɔden ama yɛntumi ntɔ ɛkwan so a yɛnam so anka ɛbɛma no edi cars na anka ɛbɛtumi ayɛ adwuma akyɛ kakra nsa na nneɛma no bɛsɛe a yɛbɛkɔ akɔtɔ no wofa so a ɛndi busumi mmienu na nneɛma no ɛsɛɛsɛ sɛsi a wokɔ aboso kan wei anka yɛde ma ɔpɛɛ no bɛɛ 2.5 basisi a baako mpo nya no bɛɛ 350 nti mmienu nkita bɛɛ 600 ana 700 yɛmfa ma wo ɛno ni asɛm ɛwɔ na aban na mba mbɛboa ya yɛnim baabi a yɛbɛdwane akɔtoa
okay enti yɛne adriverfoɔ no ɛtwetwe nkɔmmɔ menua samson meda ase driverfoɔ no bebree wɔ ha yɛne ɔmo ɛbɛkasa na afei ɔmo a yɛte sikwan nim ɔmo cars ma ɔmo so ɛkɔ no so yɛne bebree atwetwe nkɔmmɔ ɔpɛni yɛfrɛ sɛn
ɔtɛfrɛ me CJ
yɛfrɛ sɛn CJ
yeah CJ. Hey!
What's that going saying?
Let me CJ.
Okay. Mini CJ. Yeah, also your driver how?
Driver ni pa. Yeah, black pa. Is there blue? Don't offer car ya ni sikanso.
Meba chame na mene driver in kasa. Chame na mene driver in kasa. Obani meba.
Driver wa doko ha. Akwa wori asesi se bola wori teja de benu. Sene yakuwa pebia. Aban wa be ya yeba kutoko. Oni na polisi ba jira ba chi ya ni abasi ni nyekwara de o.
Akwa so musa kwa ese o kan no.
Ah, kwa ko ya se koko pe mi ko to de bia na ya tumu mami. Are na body ko se safa chemi. Ah, na ni matoti ya work. And a chema to bojo. Are se na nyeko sa se wodi mami nu. Neka wori ko sa so kani de haye so mi kani na dade ko na mapie ko to ya bagua sane yari abani wa ye bibidi ani abati da batuzi o
okay enti oya driver ni a o twemu na me no atwetwe nkomo no da bako bako CJ da bana me no nkasa ma be hia me nia wa ha CJ enti we
Ghana ye bre pa ye bre senso topa o ka so to buta o kanko kamba obe mo foka bia so an sikanso ade na Ghana freedom country ba hye kwai se bola
isumha ka wo betwa we mame bola
Ghana pa freedom country pa we da kan ko ma sa me so nechi kan ko ma me so nechi papa na pen fo mo di enim de o mu di abulo pa esi amene ka se kwa fuel ya to fuel mu ade ti ba ne sa ya to fuel mu isi a o Ghana ye bile ma se ye bile pa me dada o ye bile o be ma kwa scan kwa be to fuel
o ye driver potholes ni se na kwan atete e shase esen
o kwan ne de from how to ka so kwan ne ye kura kwan na betwa o da bele aka wotwa ma ye fine azan ko gu so so ba ya fan different way so on ti obi ejuma so I don't know me ye bile sa freedom country come kuma le kire o ma ye suwe sei ama ye bile sa ade o Ghana ye bile pa
medase we are still here and our phone ebi ba me pese obi du hanum na fei mene no etwetwe enkomo na ye hwe omo nam kwan no so o hwe kaya ebe ya enam kwan no so a mene driver no ebe kasa briefly na ye bisa no sene kwan no ete ye wa don TV Adom FM to driver say
na me Adom ayo
the first saying
edi ko Johnson
okay kwado outer lane kwan sene aye ete say una ye driver ni amonam ko
kwan de enye kwan ni na ede fa o ti ase kwan ni na ye monti monka na enye hape won se na de na ko enye hape o fa quest spring na ebu quest spring ebu a raising bar na ebu wana ko akaka se ya se ma kire no obi enu aye kan ya se ma kire no se no ni se na emu sa ye ni okamafo enti mo be de mo na ma mi du bedwom enti Denkano mamo. Yesi MP no wa anu no. Eye mi say o de ama contract but nipa no ko Dubai. Afi no ko fa machine so de baba be ye kwan na ma ye. Nti o ma ye.
Enso waji contract no.
Waji contract no ko Dubai ko fa machine saba.
Okay, me that say. Enti we are live on Adom TV and Adom 6.3 FM. Driver ko so ha mene no enkasa driver ati say Adom TV suni e kwan ya wa wonam so atalin ha to say.
Oh, kwa we in fact, in Canada, kwa nyenye kura ya bredo. Ntimi bi fa o mai.
Okay. All right. Me that say. Enti ye wo nia ye fe no ke Ebuzia highway. Bebre nim se fe no Odoko Malam highway. Eso ene ye wo sakwan ene link Greater Accra region to the Central region. Na kwan no asai kura enti de refi anafe yakoda Kuma junction. Ye be ko ho ye ne omanfo no be froka. Na fe yete market na chi na atwetwe nkomo na yekoda kwa dan sakwa se na honom so support so no eti openida bana me no enkasa yes madam I say good your brother saying
from
Mulato we driver ni wa
ya driver na run the type of kid
Okay, Mokola Onjeni. Okay, etiyentie won so so. E kwan ti na yaba. O ha foforo bi o hanom so na o di atuja.
Wala mo atene imagine o fit akwara watena ka almost 4 hours. Wa bedu from Kaswa de ba Accra, unum se we du city. Udu ya watena ka almost 2 hours, 3 hours. And so we du bedu awoko. Wa bedu na city, akwan se na aye. Bra, aye so a tourist, obeto spring. I saw what that will manage you better was no quiet so 2 months to better spring. Cowness of Aban and there what was spring just 2 times or boost away condemned diver and so what a quino. The summer divers never been in Ano. We blade to fear, cause Cano, Oko and 2, I say, Abajega. I say so say, Cow back at all condemned down and swent to say, Quina. See a second and painful. Some number. Na sad mtis nana ma ba na send them aba hwe no be je ma to ko TV station be aba aba ni interview aba hwe kwan no sa de bia mo ba mo kwa ye nte won hwe nse na ma ba yesna mo hwe na mo no mpemfo na kasa oba road fo nkasa kwa me twa road wet wu na police ni stop ma mo right say some new confusion odo kwa kwan so nso emba na sa obi ba ka say adana police na check road wet no baby sense ade so road wet na ye kwan ya so ade so mo de ye kwan man nti yesramo once police ntim chu road wet there mo hwe na me ye kwan man.
Okay, all right, openi meda wase nti a driver for na wo mo e ka wo makosem e wo e kwan no so e de atuja no openi brana me no nkasa Adom TV su ni gina hase media
ham ni say e kwan de high resin bar bebu swing bebu nsem bi high dumi kasa ba o kasa na I say uni okamafo na I say we ere o kasa keke de bia mo ba ehun de ekoso am ba de bia ehun de ekoso ntinde se bi bokoso zia mo ma ehun de ere koso ne musa ba na ere e wo ho yere ni musa ba bia ene eni Ghana ha ye ni musa ba bia ni Ghana ha ese e kwan we ye nya problem bi me ya ji me ka fi me sem because I say ka wona say de bia problem nti me na ejuma me ere me nam nti saban me ya o me ye man na ehun toyin.
All right, mama yenko ye nim kakra Newton mama ye ko nti obetimi akasa Newton mom ran say na yenko ye nim
ani say odoko ha no openi bates na ba ha for MP yetumi nya ne ho faso o creative rose Talazo road otumi ye ya me hu say ye MP but ne ba na oba ye no eye syllabates nyame anim ni ye hu ne modern bo ha enti ye besre no sa kwan we kura no aka ye ni problem a esese oman ye ni what I say ye hu de e koso so hu enti sanya papa ye adwuma pa no ye besre no ono so me ye adwuma pa why FM man ye
me say kwan de ama contract.
Oh, ne say eno de atete de ye ne no ye
me ba ha na pa kura ma beti ye say contractor no e no be ye sa gata ya eda enchen
masa we no de ache o ache filling station man we aha emra na oba bebie no ene ehu se ono agasa de abo ne ade fili electricity ade we enti mi mom de we ekoni de I don't think say or the ama contract aha enti MP no omra out syllabates ye nyina no what dey go bia
ade ba kwa me ba ha ma be hu so ne sa ayi eda ha yi eno me ne omanfo na wa ha no twetwe nkomo je sa om de dua gu so na ka be fa so na ebu agum na ha no so ayese obani
no kresem pa I think say we no ehia dade ankasa na wo say etumi
ti bola na aya ne masa
sa e bola na afele ne sa no ne mo unim major problem wo de okwa ni ma wo behu
poto ba ko ho na mekeka de wakoyi ho na mekeka de wakoyi enko ho na ye
ukọ ho na wo behu sane e ho ne tie ye hia aban mo wa papa nanado ye hia ye nyina no obi apa wasem enti na nam so me to aba ne kese e de ma wo bum no wo ho ade still no I think say we no obetimi aye obetimi aye ne say oye so a odi benya vote so mo Oh yeah, what is what the mayor vote more.
Okay, enti Porto yeah that mechi hey. And I'm pese yehwe. Utum say emu apa. Porto we. Emu manhole. Akasa nkofo ebia on be connect on pipe na de abetum. O hwe Porto ya e wa he ya. Anya Porto ketwa. Ofa.
Hwe wan kasa susu. Wan ususu a wan kasa hwe. E fit sen. E fit sen. Wo twa free me ha beka wo ya ye sen. And it's a car to my bed. A create problem. As was a create problem, a process for bar. Don't make a chance for driving license, but you don't need the on can't tell you or what that was a road is a
minute driver and Casa. Offer. Slow down, Mamina. Menen and Casa. Menen and Casa. Opening or break the Sumaman and Casa Martin. Yeah, by the You're frozen. Coffee. Over coffee. Yeah. 2 years is here. Wow, told me, Menoka say, to say.
And yet, cry, man. Kwane yenti won twa no wan yema why
all right medase pa driver ba ko so wa ha mene no enkasa rush anti direct no wa ma ye busy pa Adom TV Adom FM suni ba je frozen
from Brutus Brutus yes
okay ekwan ya Porto ya sisi a wa wugina mu eto san
enya kura omo hwe no mo ye ne ye ma na bre pa
okay medase mencha passengers ni na nyankopon fa mo enko empanifo no ha GPRT fo no e wa ha meni omo etoa enkomo no eso obani mame no kasa
yo
ye frozen
me din di asafache osi akwan di second twi mami odoko twi mami wo ma asafache e wa ha nyina
asafache osi akwan
the second yes
osi akwan nana wadarama wakwan mutumi say wa no asha da si no se na odin kire nse oyo osi akwan no ananso kwan no ho asem na tesen nana
no ndi ompeke keji ake best and no you inte ame submit renka me MCE e agba isani ake wo gba fe fite e several times ken na no yakwa me amechu ni wa man wa me na no ni ya no e ma me wake kwamna bates ehibie e ba ye MP for 12 years na shi no na ete e keju apiaba Jopia by no 8 years. Ne take a quefi yeba. A fee we by no 4 years sete. Ne kawa keke to podumusha votoale. Lele amula jamusumbikaba. Avotoale. Still will be one no kono. Kwa Blackman off. Because one no kono. What befe here. Rossi comes a fair no kono kwa hawo. One kidney bawana wa. I got come May Road Nikashin. In 1974, not chake na fair ni fa. No me be a lolly jefe wa. Bebeneke. Kajibani CP meneme ba fe gbe na me awo ona ni bi e ya no kaje bia on kasi da kuma jonse ko botebu ya mi e tra drag ani wo le government e fe hawo won pa government e fa e bomode ni MP ni tra won be ni MPP government MPP sen yo ame bomode na mba fe no kwa me awo sa fe no ko kwa me awo keto yete be na baba ame short ekumo ame swing ekumo ame no fe no ekumo kete ba enane ko keke ka o na e so ne de ba kele e so si je na ke boda te kumo bu ni ka bi e ko botemie e ba to he de ba fete kala le botemie ni bi fite won pa man bi afai won pa mralu e fai ni di government na na akufado his excellency won pa le fai ko no ni sa ambo mo namba fe ye wo odoko twi man ko in the area amebo na me fia me no do ko ni gba wona ko namba ko session elole je mamo na me sergeant fa me awo yake amba yo revenue I'm a revenue I'm a machine I'm a yo come ko say your session they say na ba fe mo ya fe blow mo I'm MPC so I'm a boy play mo mene ka fe afe ko kwashi bia ne won pa fai na me bon mo dey na mba ko session ko gbejegbe ni yo bia ne wo egbe ko me link ko ya ga bia ne mo ada wo e ko me ni sani traffic bar o to de nkaje ko fe ko to driving school tarazo road kan bi where this is no fe na me fe no go won pa akufa do fai ina kan gbe me bo de ne ka ma yu ka me nya me fi ami awole this year nele amekala won pa be fai
all right enti nia me papa penino e kan say wo mo bra wa ha papa enti aban no enhwe na fe omra meboa wo mo na akwan no onye mfa mo many openi entwetwe enkomo badansa na no menya ntie se asamanka se police commander hwen commander ofori anim yenchi awana pay asamanka se police commander yenchi na papa obani me bacho udin
your friend George of my private name and I'm here ni Adama the second odaka of Shatan hini me say me nwan mu akasa bebre na kaka mekani say me say Ghana drivers ya ye mobo yɛayɛ mmɔbɔ paa dodo yɛayɛ mmɔbɔ koraa dodo Ghana drivers tutu commercial drivers yɛayɛ mmɔbɔ wɔn mo akyi baabi aka yɛ abɛgyina yi ɛnsɛ sɛ ɔgyina service lane ɛsɛ ɔfam na adɛnti na wabɛfa because aha ne nyɛ ɔfa hɔ kaa no bɛsɛ ɛnti ɔno nso ntumi kɔfa hɔ ɛna first yɛ started driving wɔ ha no 80s no mu no na mɛbɔ MTT for ɔdɔkɔ police for abaso paa sɛ ɛnyɛ ɔmo na ɔmo hwɛ traffic ha anka ɛmu sɛ traffic no ɛbɛkɔ akɔdo winiba ɛnyɛ agro wohwɛ wɔ akyi ha hwɛ baabi a bɔɔla ka adeɛ yɛ aba bɛsi bɔɔla yi baabi ɛsi ɛsɛ ɔ use service lane.
Hwɛ baabi a bɔɔla no ɛsi get this for me ɛsɛ nka bɔɔla yi ya osi main road so.
Service lane wɔ hɔ also because of kwan na sɛ ɛni ti ɔno nso wɔn baabi a wabɛgyina sɛ car bi ba ahwɛ wobɛn sɛ kakra wobɛn sɛ another truck driver ɔno nso bɛba abɛgyina hɔ na first police for ọmọ mayẹ kwan mayẹ nja time mayẹ driving onim kwan okura ohun gyina hɔ ɛsɛ service lane yɛ wobɛ use service lane na sɛ si ha hwɛ service main road so ɛna cars ne gyina wa o hwɛ yɛ kwan ne nyinaa sɛ ɛna more than 5 years a kwan yɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛyɛ ɛna ɛyɛ last ɔmo bɛyɛ interview mi wɔ station ɔsɛ ɛdeɛ na.
Etugu so share the People's Forum Jumedie Esansu 18 live on Adom 106.3 FM. Chief Jerry Forson on the amount 4 year war or Doko Elchi and Kobo in the Greater Accra region. Mami enya adwuma we emreba ebesa ko CJ nchen ebim ne akotwa ekomane so.
O me fe ko accident. O ke ko accident e poko mo ko bi mo ko mami mo ko na mo ko di ni e pe keke akwate wala yi. Ni tu agesa na fe gbe amushi. No process of power. I feel like one papa keje o doko tipa unke ba shida ko ni se ba mo de mo nu pa ni ji akuna na akufo do excellence one papa fai o ko vice Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud ba o me ne ba mo de onye kwa anyo ko no 1% ni obi e keje batasi no an kwashi ebi e
okay everyone is over dinner
how mo ye progress
hi progress okay
na nyina no obi ahwe ha de enso to enso ni gira etika bi amfa ha o se enso to sisi aka bi amfa ha ka bi amfa ha kra efi ekokopim no na afi won se o branch si eyin mu e won so no port was go etika ne ba obi anim enti won so obon se obon mpa na tai se okokolo tai e wa he wo de so obi a wadi ma so person o hwe no Enyimire wo de o mejira no hwe won kan do a ties ne ba fine
so on a daily basis
bia asem no kwa na me ka che no what you say wo de obi a what you say o person won oji tim no o mejira support was say I don't know wait if you say what was na da ho wow hi dey enti obi atoma na
mama yensi fam ha mama yensi fam ha
obi adu
mama yensi fam ha na fe yenhwe yemra ha sei where the Adam main road ni mo ankasa o
enti officer ba woni mo enti o beto di bam na tire pai o du a officer speed ne so enti o du a wo nim se eyi no ha enti o bo ma na tire pai the tire pai e be se na ye nyina no obi age odi obi ata wachi ehai de e main road ehai main road mu pa na support us o enti we de ye se no ni mani ya enimani efi o chanko ya ora so o hwe no ni kuntu mama yen
okay me da say enti eguso wo highway no eso but pothole we de be dey risky papa me ade ha me say opani we e chance kitikiti bi o so hu e chance kitikiti bi ana so atoma ya fam ne aye kakaka san e da ho no
aye no question o say enso ni ta ha say ya enso ni na fa ha enti amna na enso ni gira ha na cars ne fam no na etu a na etu enti we ko no say na anhwe we na say no ma me ye ne ntama e bedroom ribi na kwa no obi apent me fa me road obi ade won ma obetuna fa because enso e bentina ha no wow ene enso so e free saver no so e enso kase anu odin enti say we ni dey say na anhwe wanu ahwe bedroom ribi kwa no ha obi aka bia ye de
okay all right and benefit bi wa han man ni omo ebe kasa na yaje omo so agenchire o sha it is serious. Wait there. Name any developing country. I major highways here. Mu potholes and mention Odoko highway. Opening Adom FM, Adom TV. So you're saying.
Actually, me dindi Azuma.
Bani Azuma.
Yes, sir.
Me bacho and yeba be shekwan the major highway Odoko highway. And yenim perifo etwetwe nkomo yentie wo so adwenche
ofane ahaye papa first 5 years ni a kwana yesi ntedum bi kwa me na me kope mumani anwea na me dia ba be fili eni mo homo na omo damase kwano ama accident esisi wo ha ba serious nti Israel mo ba mpeyifo no kasa na mo hwe maye e say edin say yetoman na kwana yesi ha adwin to Israel omo hwe no meye
me gidi say amon mpanufo akasa anamon be na ombedu e wo sa kwan ye ho mo makoye major stakeholders e wo browning so he
me say na wotwe mienu ni na AMA payful no fabric maham no on be ka chen say omo di contractor ba amana ba be ye kwan no nti ye ba be on ba be hwe wiye no enu ani ye hu on bio nje na yesu yesu say ye pamucho mo fa payful no kasa man say ha adwin pa ye pamucho ai
okay obani patobra bra na unso be kan ye bro saying
kojo desu
obakojo unso kan bia yentie
okay kwan we problem ada won say na nso wa asasini mu nti CP ye kwan no buzi atam no already no wona wo mo ho su fifie ba no wo mo aye chokiti a e wo han mo do bi ko aduma aye mana ayi mati 3 o'clock na wo mo de bola afisha botanim nti awe for no contractor bi o no awo je aduma free government wo no aye na wo mo be yi botanim ada bi ata how is for no je wo mo akra in fact wo mo road na wo no horses na wo se we o maja
ya be a photo ba ko da enim ha ya bra yeah
so we say no I am joking for the road you know I come may start to connect a first side oya kwa na me wa ha it is joking you know awo e fear to fear what you know usha ha wo ma be yi mu wo
ba ku na da he
yeah and then me akwa bi ba to bo ya de ko hospital o ko school elimina don gota we wo me wa no wo mu di ball agum uko da Kuba Junction wo mu ye kwa no de na me wa ha wo mu fere na insurance asini to light way to first light it wo mu fere no am I tipping ya road no level it only on level no from this side to connection no I say ko me no but wo mu ko bola and na che wo ye dija mi hu wo mu ebi asemi ma ko hu wo mu any ade yes Ghana the way people they do no who do you Ghana ni we go secondary school be lawyer government and a lawyer now who do we say ade we here joke is in there who ko hanu mini ade nyina na gota na wo mu yibu ana wona wo hanu so afere titipa
opening madam was it is oh stress is here because of pothole now at that highway no esunti driver for do her they try to dodge try some bed dodge pothole no try some bed dodge pothole no and risky o dodge no one hwe ne pa how they akosia obi dia and so tie crab so ebo pothole ma
emperifo na wo ho ne say driver for wo ma de yamobo fi ha ba nyina tie crab ya asem na sabi asabe highways for CP 15 years atana woma hane amamu na sabu to me fere got us the mad drivers what was the name mad drivers now it's too bad now for years you win here because about this our Ghana yes government one of your government who your government it what was how was for
okay it is say me say the driver kwan so fa so anya sa kwan so fa so
esan se kwan na onam so a service lane na ekwa kodu da kuma junction na obewrem to highway no kwan nye e wo Max TV anim wo enya kwan ho de ye du a obehun se ne hote enti no mutumi nko se ka ni swase a odu a ɛna ɔbɛtɔ amene mu wanhwɛ kora agye yɛbɛtɔ no nti ɔmo dane ɔmo ho ɛfa MT2 anim police fo n'anim a bɛfa police ni no so
FAC opposite direction no
FAC car ba
police fo n'anim ho so police fo ne nkawe
ɔmo titi bebree but uti nipa na kwan ni ti no na ɔfa hɔ because uti ni kra ɔnyɛ na adwen sɛ ɔkɔfa hɔ but sɛ na ɔba akɔtom na later na ɔba bɛfra wo police ni sɛ wɔnya accident na ɛsɛ ɔkɔfa towing car na ɛkɔyɛ asɛm bebree nti ɛyɛ sɛ ɔmo hwɛ ebi wa na ɔmo ama ɔmo wɔ ne na ɔmo agya ɔmo nti ɔba bɛdane ne ho afa ase ya akɔfa highway no so na ha no kra ɔfa no kra ɔhwɛ kwan ni sɛ ne ɛteɛ na ɛnyɛ kwan ɛsɛ sɛ car use
yɛnhwɛ pothole yɛ dɛnim ha yi ɛyɛ very dangerous pothole saa pothole si ɛwɔ ha yi ɛkyɛ sɛ aha kora yɛ aha yɛ waterway
aha yɛ asphalt aha yɛ waterway wedi aha kora yɛ na ɔdu da Akuma junction hɔ na ɔbɛhu potholes nankasa nti aha deɛ aha kora deɛ sɛ cars ne timi fam
okay
ɛdu da Akuma junction ɔntimi fam nkɔ gye sɛ ɔsan da no ɛfa bio
okay mama yɛnkɔ da Akuma junction ne ɛmfa nkɔmmɔ no nyinaa nkɔ wie hɔ na yɛhwɛ potholes no a ɛwɔ da Akuma junction no sɛnea ɛhɔnom nso so ɛteɛ so stay with us yɛgu so ɛwɔ hanom moma yɛnkɔ na yɛnkɔ da Akuma junction yɛduru hɔnom a na yɛde nkɔmmɔ no nyinaa ɛde aba na wieɛ ɛwɔ hɔ enti yɛnkɔ na yɛnkɔhwɛ sɛnea ɛhɔnom nso so ɛteɛ yɛhwɛ service lane a ɛwɔ ɔdɔkɔ Malam highway yi ɛso service lane ɛyɛ 10-lane highway yɛ constructing about 30 years ago ɛna yɛyɛ saa kwan free hɔnom no no proper maintenance bia ɛna akɔ so ɛwɔ kwan so a ama service lanes ne nyinaa no asɛ potholes ɛna yɛnam mu nti yɛkɔ da Akuma junction na ɔkɔyɛ sɛ ne ho so tiani
sɛdeɛ yɛka no yɛkɔ da Akuma junction akɔsa sɛ yɛaho afiri Mala highway na ɛba saa ɛbɛdu ɔdɔkɔ yɛkɔ yaba Kogas ɛyɛ waterway sɛ yɛkɔ da Akuma hɔ na problem so kɛseɛ paa ɛwɔ ɛna baako yɛ ameno nso sɛ wɔn a wɔn tu gɔɔla ɛgu pavement nso ɛno nso ɛhami paa saa sɛ maka nim several times ɛna scrap wɔn a nsa scraps no nso aban ma n'ani kɔ wɔn paa yɛde dadeɛ no yɛde tu ɛyi no so a wɔn nam anadwo na wɔn akɔsisaw na ayɛ ɛyi obi nam ano wɔn anasɛ kaa bi ba na ne taa akɔdɔm sɛ pan na apan te ɛno nso yɛ sra aban sɛ ɔma nkurɔfoɔ nkɔ runs ne nhwɛ saa de saa sɛ saa dadeɛ no yɛde cover gutter no so no saa scraps wɔn ha yɛ.
okay sisi a yɛdu Gloryland Hotel anim ha aha mekai many years somewhere 1980 na yɛte police quarters ɛwɔ ahanom baby ɔdɔkɔ MTTU na ɛni okay
yo nti sɛ si a baabi a yɛdu no sɛ yɛdu da Akuma junction yɛkɔ baabi a ɔhɔ no nso ayɛ atekyɛ pansɛ ma gɔtɔ bi da baabi a no nso nsuo no to a na afa saa gɔtɔ na ɔbɛsi kwan no na asɛ kwan no saa nti yɛsrɛ aban so ɔmo mɔden no ntu n'ani na bɛhwɛ da Akuma junction sɛ du nso ɛni yɛ nyan papapapapapapa yɛsrɛ aban so ɔmo mɔden no mɛhwɛ na afei sɛdeɛ yɛka no wɔn a wɔn yɛ straps no aban bɔ mɔden n'ani nkɔ ɔmo wɔn na ɔmo sɛ ɔmo ano gyapadeɛ no sɛ yɛyɛ dadeɛ no yɛde to adeɛ no so ɔno ɔmo ayi nti yɛsrɛ aban.
okay enti yɛdu da Akuma junction yɛbɛhwɛ sɛnea situation no nso so ɛte ɛwɔ ha ɔpani na wokyerɛ biribi wɔ ha
wɔn wɔ ha no gɔta wei nsuo no tɔ a ɛfam sɛ na ayiri na afa kwan no mu na sɛ kwan no mu nyinaa na nhyɛ na ɔdomfoɔ bi de ayi abɛgu a ɛyɛ nkurɔfoɔ wɔn de adeɛ na ɛna nsili ayi kakra na nka nsuo atɔ yi ɛnam sɛ yɛ a na afa kwan no mu na etutu wa nyinaa pasa nti kɛ bia ntumi nfa ha nti ɛsrɛ aban sɛ ɔmbɔ mbɛdi ano ntu n'ani na ɔmbɛhwɛ da Akuma junction da Akuma junction deɛ ɛyɛ ɔhaw kɛseɛ paa ɛna ɛwɔ ha nti ɛsrɛ aban sɛ nsuo no ɛsɛm ɛne nwura wɔn nto adeɛ nso wɔ kwan no so wɔn sisa nwura na wɔn de egu gɔtɛ no mu na choke wɔn sɔ deɛ ɛno nso de esi aban nti ɛsrɛ aban sɛ wɔn yɛn mpɛ nkurɔfoɔ na wɔn nkɔ rounds na wɔn.
nwura no kura ɔka na obi ɛhyɛ ne deɛ wɔ ha yi.
sisi mi kɛn ɛna ɛda hɔ no obi na wabɛ pɛrɛ gu gɔtɛ mu a ɔde gya atum mu ɛna gɔtɛ no so ɛnyɛ nwura na esi wɔm yɛsi nsu ɛna nfɛ mu nti yɛ paakyɛw hwɛ awe no traffic light na hwɛ amuna donkodonko bi ɛda hɔ akasi nyinaa ɛdɔɔgye nti yɛsrɛ aban sɛ ɔmmɔ mmɔde ano nto no
okay all right meda se ɔpani bra na me no nkasa wadaroma hwɛ highway ne so ɛna pothole ɛda saa no highway highway so and a portal that's an open here process.
The friend Kwame Mreku.
Of America?
Yes, sir.
Yentie
say a hand money the cost of had and yakura. If you say Mekaya time na NDC was on not quining yet. It's a Mikrami coming home time says Oma MP Banomania Quindi, I mean to Ababu. And pa higher bassa, Osha Haya Chihaya, must be for a fairly hand and sing a Nakabian to me for her. Shepoto tobacco penetoha, a da animal, and a head higher. Udlo doko traffic light as ya, Cohedia Haye. You're crossing the next lane. Nako sheho. Kabian to me for I'm Areho. Yet your mem, my Hunia, Yantuaba, Nasa Moment, why and swap. Afido, I to a baswa, just a yes, you at any hotresa. On Penotia, DC, ultimate carry be answered DC. And as MC, turn to me carrying Chirano. It's tell as MC and a DC, not office or a day. Ultimate macro for crime, a fele quine, and my can be on my. I'm a casting in unnecessary. Mekotomi can't want their wabosokai. Nancy, over 3,000. Since I'm watching 10 million in Assassin. I don't tell me how Teresa. I don't tell me how Teresa. And yet, young crossing a quantity.
Okay, young crossing, my name, mammy, and to Trincomo. And they're saying, I'm telling you about Dikaya and Nedumedi, Minokasa also. I can't Indianam,
Metihaya. Na problem I will also say Binawaha. And I drew the Habetic Bank, Oberbanamo to bear for any cars, any accident. Waha. Intino the other time, Cranipa 5 na involve here, but when in our roy. Ufaha can't mean coho, inticas ne bar. Omo park or main street in this, so not the outer lane. Omo park or main street in this, so I want almost synchro because they are also protecting their cars. Into problem I woman. I have crampo de yanka. Sir has say in the yanka. Toilet room, boiler room, and a coin so in so in so tight hanging. And said last 2 weeks or so, number feleha. Technophone a feleha. Meanwhile, not a coin pono. A tutti sam na obian film, or carbian film. Into problem I woman.
Okay. Madam, I say, in terms of it be across the one. It me young chain na. Eka cry to me across. You were high per se across it. Now you caught the other side of the road. Na your question ya air course or air horse so. Opening Beckham. You cross we are okay. And you back cross. But Osha, it's still rush hour. It's still early days, early hours in the morning. It's cast in a barn one more ba Osha Omo Mufi Malam Junction or Doko Urban one drew her. And so slow down because on say I saw swerve, I saw dodgy pothole no. Enti one shen year na e dia kwanhia ba because near ono dealing name no one pene ama wa ansha e de bibisa e ne bebanti o hwa porto e da ha okay enti obudu ha na akwani anya kula okay enti na obi adu ha be so chena dwen but your chena fe red light na so na ya cross across the other side of the road na this is terrible. This is terrible. Yes, you wrap up on. Eti mamene opening and tuition come on afi. Yen wrap up. It's 8:54. Eti yen wrap up na fi. Yen company e frozen.
Your friend Ebenezer Ofori.
Ebenezer?
Yes sir.
Yen tiewe.
Yo, ne di kan madam asese motie hi asem na mo kasa be wo na mo kan aya mpanifo mo te yen de kan o mo nte. Ye hi asem e wo kwan we so no de ano ye den. Ahai obiara nim ye was small lane atrotro for your farm. It's a small lane nyina asai. And a highway no so and e was say gina ye fa nipa. And until am traffic pa first no we aduma 2 gallons na auto. Say traffic nti e was auto 3 gallons. And no the car ebrayen. Wo de do to nchan portos no maintenance cost a man no ano ye den. Pa na de na kwa te say empanifo bebrete makati. Nso omo da V8 mu. Nti omo twam a omo hu ye hawo. Nti yesram omo hu say fiti mala market ekopem kaneshi de ye wo hawo kese pa omo ntwom ni no mwen na ye nti no mo wo ho yesram pa medase
enti aha na brema kwan na another people's forum ye de SCA but urban roads director wadaroma we nyida e ka wadwuma ho enra obeka se me no twetwe nkomo e radio so a nkomo no ensipo anyamede anapei masanso aba adwuma ba ko ese wo ye eso urban roads ohwe major highway ati say roads minister honorable Kwesi Amoakwanta ohwe se ne wankasa ukrom kwan waye no a se kwan ekọ ukrom anka mgidi se wahwe atu ho na monte e besre Ghana ha adwuma no wobetimi ayenti ne de ma ho ne de the taxpayer ne sika edi tua oka nti yenhwe na saa kwan we yenye na free ho me the chief Jerry Forson Mamenda production team ameni omo eba Aisha Ibrahim Caroline Newton and afei me driver na afei Kofi Hassan lead producer yen fancy ha nyame adoma the people's forum na what to say na ye besan so e dia bro midin e the chief Jerry Forson wait me afrem CJ Macau
eti chief Jerry Forson na yete ne nkaro e de free ye odoko akwan ya enye eho akwan ya wudi agro kakra bi a enwa kofa ka kwanhia abaye sese mpanifo ntu na monfa mo mo alis anya hwekwa ye nim se contractor bi ye kwan bi a hye ne sa eye ho adwuma ye obre de aman o sika so etate de to osiesie sa kwan a ye contractors no eye no mumie mfesika ni nyina emmok chanse baakum ne ense sandatatam wa bra na ose de bi eye no ye twetwe na ase eso ho ye mfansiesie akwan na yaye dada na eso atutu montemonka no wo hwe se ne odoko de ne ti a enye time and it's so sad say eraso etisa enche game park ebedru ono so maka to say from Monday to Sunday 3 draws in a day 9 a.m. 12 p.m. 6 p.m. 9 a.m. de no ebre aswanisa eti be ko game park ni abehunu enenso draw ya ewonom se watwa wo de dada o number no eba sika bubruja en wadie open na apede because de bia hwe Adom TV na ha ene sika no ankasa ewo na so nya kakra fa to botom efa ekodidim ma fa na sekese ekoba Franco Trading Enterprise de bia me kam se phone papa na dwosuo ene wonom o perfume be che edi ama ya sabi emfa eche keka bia emrewa eye papa Franco akachi ena benya sa phone ni bi ense ye Nokia Samsung iPhone a ope phone ye eto for broni kromo ani atam ne aba Ghana papa Franco akachi enkoa ene biwo ne ede efo ye sem ne phone bia wo to ama bia esanso ogidi omunti no o warranty oho ya kona asem obetim dia ba na se o CCC mo be CCC o CCC mo be sano ede amam CCTV cameras enso enene cameras ebokuma echi amafo do ne nyina free papa Franco akachi to be fabo shop ofie se na bia ne pabonfo ATB eno tentenwa Fre Papa Franco ewo 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 Franco Trading Enterprise still phone papa efie ene wonum snid for some country say ene enye wona ye bosumi adwuma nko na omtse omtua entena honum emomodachi wa sa onzo ye bodwabodwa so ye hairdresser o ye mechanic o ye sprayer o ye tisede na o ye afisi utone marketeketi ewo dwamu a omodi akosnifo akache tisikani bi efato na dachi bi obinim ne ebesi okwa homgye mu awuntimi nya hwe na senfo atwa kakaka de ma frɛ 0302 611 622 na agi enchire mu nyina game park are ready yanko